Your
for
Lordship.
recalling order.
Whatever. For
Recording
orders,
in progress.
Yes, sir. Because of the pendants of the applicant before your lordships, the petitioner is taking time before the Lord and Court below. And
that is the usual strategy. Wherever you have appeared, you have adjourned the matter. I remember you argued 2-3 matters. That is standard practice. High Court has not stayed any matter. No. Yes. Anyway, ଆପଣ ସେଟା fresh ଟା ଦେଇଦେବେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତ please write fresh admission orders after notice. Please write so that
Your Lordship, he is the husband and willing for and ready to transfer of application as paid by the wife.
fresh matter.
Yes, sir.
For the petitioner husband, Your Lordship.
Petitioner.
ଆପଣ opposite party କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
after
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
notice ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଆଣନ୍ତୁ orders ରେ ଲେଖିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ kindly just write it.
I'm for the petitioner husband.
ଫାଇଲ ଦେଖୁନ ନା ଆପଣ ଯାହା ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଟାକୁ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ଲିଜ ରାଇଟ୍ ଇଟ୍
Lordship.
ଫର ଅର୍ଡର୍ସ
I'm for the petitioner husband, Your Lordship.
ରିଜିନ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି ମେମୋରେ ସେଟା ଲେଖିଦେବେ କଣ ଅଛି
I'm for the petitioner husband, Your Lordship.
give it
Sir, Kali last chance of evidence.
discussions regarding the merits of the mention please give it
Your Lordship, matter not be.
please only
Sir, family court रे हमें
Yes,
sir family court. Sir, ଗୋଟେ urgency होती sir family court रे.
so many are not being listed.
He is not getting.
I'm planning now to celebrate the silver jubilee of cases.
Lordship ଗୋଟେ
He has not been getting the retail
Sir, no
benefits.
lawyer will say that. We know that any memo is honored and ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ give it fresh
Your Lordship ସେ
ସେଟା ବି ଯଦି reason ଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା not listed ସେଟା ବି ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ so that place କଲେ ସେ ଜାଣି ପାରିବେ
Pardon, my lord. Item 18, my lord.
seriously
Page number 1, item number 2 to 5.
Five, my lord. One week after, my lord. I don't know file, my lord.
Item number.
item 5 Sarada Prasad Das for the petitioner opposite party blank
Your Lordship ଗୋଟେ
just be patient with your colleagues ଯିଏ mention କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଚାନ୍ସ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି The effort of the petitioner to adjourn the matter since 33/2026 continues. It was earlier adjourned on 30/3/26, thereafter on 29/4/26, and again after 3 months. Today, the matter is mentioned seeking adjournment at the beginning of the day's proceeding. To grant further opportunity, the matter shall be listed in the week commencing from fresh admission in the week commencing 3/8/2026. Copy of this order shall be forwarded to the Civil Judge Senior Division CORAM in MAT case number 36/2023 and to be kept in the records of and to the court of Additional District Judge Karanjia in FAO number 05/2023.
Page number 2.
Item number 7, my lord. My lord, item number 7. Saying for adjournment.
First page 2 ରୁ 5 की mention करथिले
Item number 4.
4 MS Rada for the petitioner. The efforts of the petitioner to adjourn the matter, since it was taken off on 6/8/2025 for about 1 year, continues. The matter has been adjourned on 6 occasions on different dates as it was listed. On 30/3/2026, the matter was had at some length. The propositions of law and the facts were noted. Stop. Today, the matter being listed for fresh admission is mentioned by the learned counsel for the petitioner seeking adjournment at the beginning of the day's proceeding. To grant further opportunity, the matter shall be listed for fresh admission in the week commencing 3/8/2026. Next page.
Page number 2, item number 6 to 15.
Item number 7, my lord. Item number 7, my lord. I'll
7.
praying for adjournment.
You are Mr. Mahanti.
SK, I.
SK Mahanti for the petitioner, item 7.
Item number 6.
Yes, you have to wait. Wait. The efforts of the petitioner to adjourn the matter, the efforts of the learned counsel for the petitioner to adjourn the matter continues as it was adjourned earlier on 30/4/2026 at 1/7/2026. Today, the matter being listed for fresh admission is mentioned at the beginning of the day's proceeding, seeking adjournment. To grant further opportunity, the matter shall be listed for fresh admission in the week commencing 3/8/2026.
Same page, item 10, my lord.
So you are 6 mentioned question. Yes, 6.
My lord, may kindly adjourn some another day.
After the matter was heard on 16/4/2026, R. Ponda on behalf of Pramod Kumar Nigam.
Yes.
The learned counsel being present, learned counsel Mrs. Ponda being present at virtual court, High Court of Orissa at Bhubaneswar, addresses are 6 adjournment. Addresses are 6 adjournment. The matter was heard on 16/4/2026. The deliberations were noted in the said order. Thereafter, it was listed on 11/5/2026. Adjournment was sought for by the petitioner. Today, the matter being in the list, the efforts of the learned counsel for the petitioner to adjourn the matter continues. Mention is made by the learned proxy counsel at the beginning of the day's proceeding, seeking adjournment. To grant further opportunity, the matter shall be listed for fresh admission in the week commencing 3/8/2026.
Item 10, my lord. Item 10, my lord.
10.
My lord, fresh
Mr.
admission.
B.K. Naik for the petitioner. Presta ଆପଣ ନକଲେ stale ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଯେ।
On behalf of
So,
occupied person.
the blame is on the judiciary that Tariq pe Tariq.
He's out of station, my lord.
So you are in station, sir. You are much more
He's
accomplished
better
lawyer
than
compared to
he is.
Mr. Sahoo, according to me. The matter being listed for fresh admission is mentioned by the learned counsel for the petitioner seeking adjournment. To grant further opportunity, the matter shall be listed for fresh admission in the week commencing 10/8/2026.
Item 9, my lord.
8. Mr. Maharana. Mr. A. Maharana for the petitioner. Mr. Aitri, Mr. D. N. Lenka, IGA for the opposite party. All questions?
Also, I frame for an adjournment, my lords.
The matter was heard at length on 1/5/2026. The propositions of law as well as the facts were noted. The learned counsel had adjournment. Thereafter, it was adjourned on 11/5/2026. And the efforts to adjourn the matter continues as the learned counsel seeks adjournment at the beginning of the day's proceeding by mentioning the matter. To grant further opportunity, the matter shall be listed in the week commencing 10/8/2026.
I don't know, item 9, Your Honor, to be adjourned next week.
Ms. Rita Singh for the petitioner. Mr. D. N. Lenka
OP1.
for OP1. Learned counsel for the petitioner mentions the matter at the beginning of the day's proceeding, seeking adjournment. To grant further opportunity, the matter shall be listed in the week commencing 10/8/2024. 11 to
11 to 15. Page number 3, item number 16 to 24.
Pardon to mention, my lord, item number 17, on behalf of J.K. Lenka, my lord, Dr. J.K. Lenka, permitted to withdraw, my lord, that the case has been infectious. Already filed the memo.
Memo have been filed.
Memo already filed, my lords, and that is become
Your name, sir?
my lord,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କଣ କହିଲେ?
Premraj Gowda. Memo has been filed, my lord, that has come in noted, my lord, not in,
Filed by Dr. Lenka.
my lord,
ठीक है, the order will be passed.
my lord.
Okay.
Oblige, my lord.
तो अभिजीत पाल कहीं की सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट रेलवे
Not a-
ठीक है
Pardon? Oblige, my lord.
ये 60 ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ मैडम
Jyoti Priyadashini Tripathi. I am for the petitioner company, Roshi.
अदर साइड कांदी है एटा तो ऑर्डर से आछि आपण अदर साइड इन्फॉर्म करछंती
Ashton, sir.
यस
Your Lordship, I may be allowed 2 weeks time to file my rejoinder and objection to the IA. IA file for the
whatever you take, you do whatever you like. You can do two more things also apart from those two things.
Okay.
No difficulty. तो पोस्टिंग कर दियंतु कंप्यूटर रे 16 टा केबे करियो ऑर्डर से
Your Lordship, 2 weeks time.
27 week commencing 27 कर
27 रे 131 टा
131 टा
3
8 कर
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Pardon, my lord. Item 18, my lord. Permitted to withdraw. My lord, I have filed withdrawal memo that is on file A. K.
अदर साइड शारदा प्रसाद दास एबे थिले पळले आई थिंक ही वाज प्रेजेंट ही
My lord, the
मेंशनड
matter has been amicably settled, my lord. I am for the petition.
whatever but present आर साइड को टिके ही इज आल्सो अ लॉयर एनीवे ठीक अछि आपण ठीक है सर दैट ऑर्डर विल बी पास्ड ओके
Obligation.
19 to 24. Page number 4, item number 25 to 29. Page number 5, item number 30 to 33.
So those are completely come. Yes, I sir. I just today itself I saw.
म्यूट रेस्पॉन्ड खोला रही ठीक है नेक्स्ट 34 to 39
37, your lordships. I'm for the opposite party. We've already appeared on 3rd July, your lordships.
inform the other side
I'm for the opposite party, your
yesterday
lordships.
at
Intimate.
about 4 p.m. somebody mentioned that
I have already intimate, your lordships.
37 कहले आपण
Again.
37 टा आज सर कर दियो तो डेट कर दियो
Next
एटा आफ्टर नोटिस
notice.
1 week after.
10 8
10 8 हाँ
Item 39, man. 39.
39
Instruction has not come, man.
Okay. 39 टा भी पोस्टिंग कर दियो 10 8
Totally also.
40 10 8 both Mr. Mahanti you are appealing
Mahanti ji.
but I am not passing orders posting in the computer
Pardon me, lords. I missed out at the page mention, me lords. I'm sorry
Yes.
for that, me lords. Item
And
20
you
maybe.
have, the other difficulty is you have completely missed out in appearing in court. You are never coming out of your home or chamber. That
Next
habit
date I
is
will.
not a that is not a good thing for a lawyer.
My lords.
Whatever
Next
is
date I will.
when you are a local counsel and you appear in High Court and other courts, why should you always remain at home?
Next date, my lords. I
What
will. Item 20 I seek for an adjournment, my lords. 20.
The RN Raut for the petitioner 20. The matter was had at some length on 17/3/2026. The Lord counsel for the petitioner had adjournment. And at paragraph 3, the following was observed. Paragraph 3 of the said order. Thereafter, the matter was adjourned, being mentioned by the learned counsel for the petitioner on 22/4/2026. The efforts to adjourn the matter for the last more than 3 months continues, as is mentioned by the learned counsel for the petitioner at the beginning of the day's proceedings seeking adjournment. To grant further opportunity, the matter shall be listed for orders in the week commencing. 3/8. 3/8. Yes, please, practical.
Item number 1.
लॉर्डशिप गोटे अर्जेंट मेंशन थिला लॉर्डशिप
Urgent mention कौन mention?
से गोटे देची फैमिली कोर्ट कटक रे हम गोटे एप्लीकेशन देइतलु
सेटा एमती तो मु आपण चिन्हा परिचय किछि नै जे मु आपण कहबे जे मोर जे चिन्हा परिचय आसन कथा हवा मेमोडा लिखि कि देबा पड़ियो
देची सर
देली तो देचंते आपण
सर सेथरे आज काली लास्ट डेट ऑफ एविडेंस
सेत्रे किछि करि हबा नो प्रेफरेंस ऑफ फाइंडिंग आउट व्हिच केस इज एट व्हाट स्टेज
हमें वीसी रे
नॉट द मेथड
वीसी रे हमें जॉइन करिया पे हम एप्लीकेशन पकेइतलु बिकॉज़ द हस्बैंड इज स्टेइंग इन
method that I will find out which case at what stage, and that is not the way to take up the matter. If something can be done, it can be undone. But आपण काली जोटा काली अछि आज के फाइल करथले मेंशन करथले अगर मूव करिवे
ना सेटा सीएमपी करिके हम फाइल करथिलु सेटा नोमेनक्लेचर एई ऑनरेबल कोर्ट चेंज करिके डब्ल्यूपीसी करथिले
ऑनरेबल कोर्ट केबे नोमेनक्लेचर चेंज करथि
सर चेंज
you are paid for your words, you have to be measured in your words what you speak. Honorable court will dismiss the matter for wrong filing. It will never change. About what I call youngsters will learn that High Court changes the nomenclature. There is no provision also. High Court cannot. It is choice of the litigant. तापरे कौन हला
तापरे 18/5/2024 नोमेनक्लेचर टा चेंज
फ्रेश टाइम कहउछन
आज्ञा लिस्टिंग है नहीं
डायरी नंबर
डायरी नंबर है
डायरी नंबर हे परियो फॉलो द हाई कोर्ट रूल्स डायरी नंबर लिस्ट हे परियो रिमूव द डिफेक्ट्स एट टाइम द प्रोफेशन इज ओवर सिंप्लिफाइड जे बुलिले हबो गछमुळे कथावार्ता हेले हबो इट इज नॉट दैट इट इज सो मेटिकुलस you will find very rarely any profession which is so meticulous and so particular ताको ठीक ठाक करी करंतु आज जाय कि आग फास्ट स्टेज एफर्ट दियंतु चेउ रिमूव करिया पे आपण को दिन मेमो दैछन
आज दैछन
आज दैछन आपण जदी से मेमो बे असला त मेमोडा के एबे पळेबो डिफेक्टिव अछि आपण जदी मूव रिमूव करि पारिबे काली देखंतु provided you remove the defects. Now you concentrate on looking at your unusual enthusiasm. Actually, it has worked for you. Otherwise, I do not entertain any particular matter like this. देखा जो कौन अपन कहउछन जैसे रिमूव करिवे देखि देबे ठीक है केते नंबर केस ता तो देख बढ़ै जन से कोडा टू केस ते बॉस ता बढ़ै जन से बाछि देबे अपन बाछि दियो कोडा अपन करे मैम
My lord, item number 30 kindly adjourn to another case.
Oh, mention sorry ni 30.
Yes.
30 other side appear करना करि ना आपण होचंती
For petition of the other side courts only. 30.
अच्छा सैयद आसिफ अली को इन्फॉर्म करचंती
Sir.
अरे अदर साइड काउंसिल इज आल्सो लॉयर आई हैव टू इन्फॉर्म हिम I am not interested to any matter to be adjourned. At least you have the courtesy to inform the other side. Somebody mentioned, Mr. Naik mentioned at 4 p.m. that he has not informed. That should not happen. अब inform करंतु.
Your lordship,
केमती inform केमती करिवे?
my senior is on the.
अरे आपण सीनियर को inform करे पे कोन अदर साइड लॉयर को. ताको मोबाइल फोन रे फोन करी कहिवे.
Your lordship.
मोबाइल फोन केमती पाइबे? वकालत नाम देखिवे
Lordship.
हां वकालत नाम रे मैंडेटरी जे कि नॉन डिफेक्ट देखोछ
Lordship.
सेठी देखो ये पटे देखो 30 टा डेट करो
30 टा
10/8 आफ्टरनून 10/8 विक्रा आसीबो
Lordship,
आपण अदर साइड पे
no, your lordship, I'm for the petition.
30 रे
Yes, your lordship.
दिजोडा कोनले इफेक्टिव एडजस्टमेंट हो ना
Pardon, my lords.
अरे आरो साइड पे काल जणो काढंतु ठीक अछि 10/8 डेट है बट यू मस्ट इन्फॉर्म
1. Item number 1.
Item 1, my lord. I have received instruction
yes
that I have been instructed to apprise your lordship that the matter may be heard in a regular court, should not be referred to the mediation. That is
ठीक है. So Sudhir Chandra Mahanti for the petitioner Mr. D.N. Lenka. এটা আপনার appellant. বুঝলি? বাহুলে ফাইল করে দিয়েছি। Appellant respondent. The matter is listed under the heading for referral to the Special Mediation Right 2.0 dash mediation for the nation. এটা particular sound capture করছি ক্লোজ করিডরটা তো সেই সাউন্ডটা এটি পড়ে আসছি particular এটা পোস্টিং এটিসি ফাইল করনা লাস্ট নোটিস পোস্টিং সার্ভিস নট টেকেন जो 6টা অফিস রিটার্ন হয়ে গেল তো 10 দিনে কিছু লাভ নাই both ways জলদি হবো বলে actually করা হতলা কিন্তু Mr. Sudhir Chandra Mahanti for the petitioner, Mr. Garendi Lenka, additional government advocate. এটা petitioner appellant, with appellant respondent হচ্ছেন R1 and R12. ହେଲା the matter listed लिखले साहब as the matter has been listed as the matter was listed under the above heading on 9/3/2026 seeking instruction from the opposite party state regarding referral of the matter for mediation. Thereafter, again, it was adjourned on 16/4/2026. It is submitted by the learned AG upon written instructions that the matter may be heard on merits in its usual course, as there is no possibility of a mediated settlement between the parties. Stop. Accordingly, the matter shall be listed for hearing in its usual course. Hearing in the usual course as per its priority. 22 मसीहा matter जब आसो priority. The appeal of being the year 2022. Appeal being of the year 2022. But regarding sir, ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ମହାନ୍ତି ସେ ଆମର କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ପଳେଇଲେ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ପାଇବେ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ଡେଟେଡ 16/4/2026 ଚେକ୍ କରିଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ଠିକ ଅଛି କଲେଣି ଜଣେ କରନ୍ତୁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଟିଭି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ବସିକି ଦିନ ସାରା କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 16/4 ତାକୁ ଟଚ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ बुक मार्क पे टच करें para 2 sir office note put up sera पढନ୍ତୁ just kindly read it aloud notice to respondent this indicates that neither AD nor unserved notice returned from the respondent number 6 notice to respondent number 10 has been returned unserved with postal endorsement address left without instruction. It is further noted that steps for issuance of notice to respondent number 6 and 10 by Dusty has not yet been taken. In Yuntu no,
I have sent the registered post as one of the co-villager told that he may come on Eid festival and may stay for 1 month. That's why I sent by registered post, but he immediately returned. And the co-villager did not receive
co-villager habani.
Justice summon through that he may not receive from him.
नहीं आपण जेतु गोटे ऑर्डर थिला ता पूर्व ऑर्डरटा दल देखंतु ତା ପୂର୍ବ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ପାଇବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଜଷ୍ଟ ତା ପୂର୍ବ ଅର୍ଡରଟା
ହଁ
ଉପରକୁ ସ୍କ୍ରୋଲ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଉପରୁ ସ୍କୁଲ 18
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପାରା 11 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
para 11 yes office note
yes office
Letter
note notice issued afresh to
notice
7
issued.
by RP with 3D such unserved notice has returned back with postal endorsement address left without instruction ସେ ଗୋଟେ ବାହାରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାମାନେ ଆପଣ ବି
Bombay,
ସେ
Bombay,
ବାହାରେ ବମ୍ବେରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି
Bombay.
as a matter of prudence it is directed notice be issued to the respondent 6710 with the present correct address by speed post with registration and proof of delivery ସେଟା ଗଲା ସେଟା notice issue ଆଉ ଥରେ ହେଲା just look take para 14 is submitted by learned counsel for the appellant that dusty service may also be permitted so ଗୋଟେ land acquisition appeal ରେ notice sufficient ନହେଲେ ଏଟା ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ଗଡିବ
No, no, he
Already
is pro
it
forma respondent. He is pro forma respondent. If you have any,
so Mahanti are you thinking that I am interested to serve notice
no,
so
no.
then what is you file that affidavit that you, at your own you are taking
Yes, yes.
Risk.
but at own risk but the other question you have to answer now the respondents what they say or they say Linka Mr. Mahanti they say that suppose later on they file an petition for recall of this order what would be the court's approach and their approach because they will be settling the matter distribution everything let us assume there is enhancement of 1 lakh
Yes.
so that is to be distributed
Yes.
so that is their question that when the parties are not there how it will be distributed or there is any further litigation regarding apportionment
No, no, my lord. If
it may be no my lord
if it is enhanced, then he will definitely listen from his relatives and will come to receive the compensation.
listen se jo receive compensation suppose se jo compensation re tankara ja se rahibo semane pachariya katha agya apana aji कहले लाख टका सी आसी कहबे 2 लाख टका आ जने जी आसी कहे agya 3 लाख टका हबा कथा a shortcut is no court Mr. Mahanti legal process sufficiency of notice and that too in case of a substantial right like property right this will, they will simply say that we have not been heard that's it so that is their concern they have no difficulty
But before profound different cannot demand.
Then you delete.
कर देबे कर देबे
Yes,
Yes. It was something.
सेती आपन को शेयर रे हो सेती पाई so actually it is not that simple the oversimplified the way you are putting it से खबर पाई आसी नेबे बॉम्बे तो रहउछंती जे जानले जे पैसा मिलुछ आसीबे possibly सेटा हेई परिबो but that's not the only possibility they are concerned Mr. Mahanti Prem Kumar Mahanti argued this जे what about us प्रोजेक्ट प्रोपोनेंट जे पैसा दबो से आपनकर किए आसिलानी ठीक अछि बट प्रोजेक्ट प्रोपोनेंट जे पैसा दबो ता पे तो एटा इश्यू रहला ना कैन आई अश्योर दैट जे आफ्टर लिटिगेशन हबनी नो कोर्ट कैन डू दैट सीरियसली गोटे सिंपल पिटिशन रे फाइल करिवे अपील रे ऑर्डिनल रूल 13 हबा एक्चुअली एक्सपर्ट तो होई परियो ने सेही भले गोटे एप्लीकेशन फाइल करिवे जे आज्ञा वी हैव नॉट बीन हर्ड हमर एतिकी पैसा
Payment will remain pending.
Exactly. There are so many. In case of non-appearance, actually, so that is the suggestion that आपण जेतु जानि छथि 10 दिन होंतु सर्व कर दियौ
He is not saying.
आपण जो कथा एबे कहउछन ता सेटा बुझो नांती जे आगे पैसा पहले आपण भी पाइबे like in matrimonial matters no never the wife is appearing many cases the reason being they have a decree they are in trial court now high court issues notice for appearance से सेठी पैसा पाइ नांती एठी से काहे के आसीबे सो आपण जे ता कहिबे जे आपण को शेयर अछि आपण आसंतु से समथिंग आपण तो अछंती ना जणे तो अछि केस ना करिया पे
It is confirm.
ठीक अछि आपण सुनिले छिना हबो आपण जेतु जो चैलेंज करछनी कोन पे चैलेंज करछन
For recalling the order of confirmation means enhancement
टाको आपण चैलेंज करछंती हाई कोर्ट बर्तन एनहांस करले से बेनिफिट पाइबे ना नहीं प्रॉपर मा
yes
सेटा आपण तो कहि आपण सब केस बास बुझिबे
my lord he is staying
so Mahanti still I can elaborate on this
no my lord
many times you will find in these kind of matters the person who is looking after the litigation he takes care of everything and the litigation expenses is borne by everyone that's the usual practice
My lord, he is not in a position to contact. He is staying at Bombay.
Then you have to take a
Aଜ୍ଞା,
recourse
ସେଇଟା
of
କଣ?
order 5 rule 20.
ସେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି, are we discussing that?
No,
We are on what we are discussing, Mr. Mahanti, anyway. What we are discussing now.
to appear. For
See,
appearance.
That's the basic point. But ultimately, what we are discussing?
He may claim
No, you have not followed. We are discussing that how to achieve a finality to the litigation. I have posted it to the hearing. जो दिन hearing as a point से दिन raise हो. I cannot proceed. Whichever court. This point will arise whether they will appear. You will say that let them not appear, and they will say that if they do not appear, then who will take the? I mean, who will bail the cat? They cannot, as lawyers, they will say that ठीक अच्छी आमे जहाँ argument करेगा था कर दो जहाँ अच्छी हो. So those things, in that context, we are discussing. It has a context. Today's order has nothing to do. This is an expanded discussion of the future regarding the future course of action.
It will
ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ.
It will much time to collect the address from Bombay. Bombay address.
ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ଯାହା କରିବେ ସେଥିରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି କି?
Order 5 rule 20 ରେ paper publish କର ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ
ଆଜିକାଲି ପେପର ପବ୍ଲିଶ ବହୁତ ପଇସା ହେଇଯାଉଛି। ଆପଣ ତ
Oh,
ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି 10-12 ଲାଖ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ବି ଏକ୍ସେମ୍ପସନ ପାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କୋର୍ଟ ଫି ଏକ୍ସେମ୍ପସନ।
That is the law to show sufficiency of the notice.
that is the law.
That is the law.
କ'ଣ କରିବେ?
My lord, the co-villager may collect, has told to given me what to.
ଯାହା କରିବେ ଆପଣ ସେଇଟା I cannot
Long
not
time.
recording.
My lord, it is long.
Now, Mr. Mahanti, perhaps you have not realized because I have recorded that dusty service is permitted by order dated not in after 4 months. We are back to square one.
I have
Official
sent-
is put up
I sent by
that
registered-
dusty is not complied with.
I have said by registered.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଦସ୍ତି ପାଇବେ। regarding notice to the unserved respondents, the petitioner shall do well to take steps in accordance with law. ସେତିକି ଛାଡ଼ି ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା।
Item number 2.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I am in BC, my lord.
For the petitioner. Yes, disposed of.
My lord. Permitted to withdraw and file a better petition.
Better application ହେଇପାରିବନି sir.
My liberty may be given, my lord. My lord, contact.
ଦେଇ ହବନି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
My lord, contact ହେଇପାରୁନି, my lord.
କ'ଣ କରିବା ସେଟା?
My lord, liberty ଟା ଥାଉ,
ଆପଣ
my lord.
ମେମୋଟା ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରୁନି ବୋଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆସୋସିଏଟ କୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ଏସଏମଏ ଦାସ ତାପରେ
My lord, କାହା କହୁଛି, my lord, ମୋ ଦେହଟା ଟିକେ ଭଲ ନାହିଁ, ଯାଇପାରୁନି ଆଜି, ଜ୍ୱର ହଉଛି।
ଆରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦେହ ଭଲ ରହୁ ଭଗବାନ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣ ଦେହ କଥା କାଇଁ ଏଠି ଭର୍ତ୍ତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
My lord, କାହା ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛି
ଆଉ କହିଲେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମେମୋ ଫାଇଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ।
My lord, my lord. My lord.
Pursuant to the order dated Mr. Bhumikesh Tripathi for the petitioner. Pursuant to the order dated 29/6/2026, the matter is listed, indicating the cause list that the matter shall be disposed of. ତାପରେ ରିପିଟ କରନ୍ତୁ order dated 22/5 ପାରା 1 ପାରା 1 ତାପରେ 29/6 ଅର୍ଡରଟାକୁ ରିପ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିଦିଅ ପାରା 2, 2 and 3. The lauded counsel for the petitioner submits that due to personal difficulty he is appearing in VC. He has made all efforts to contact the petitioner, who remains incommunicado. Apparently, the petitioner, after filing the petition, after presenting the petition before this court on 17/3/2023, for the last more than 3 years, has not taken any interest in prosecuting the matter. The petition is disposed of. Memo filed by the learned counsel for the petitioner is taken on record. Scanned copy be updated.
Item number 3.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 3.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. Parija, kindly pass over.
Yes. Next.
Item number 11.
Pass over कर दो।
Item number
अच्छा
12.
pass over आज difficult होगा time adjust करियो। 11 टा को आउ गोटे दिन को कर दियो।
No order.
ये adjust करिवे देखि कि आपण केते
नहीं no order रे कोड पके देबी ना order.
नहीं नहीं आपण विवेकानंद 11 टा को ठीक अछि आपण पोस्टिंग कर दियो तो बेटर हो सो दैट टाइम सेव हो काली पके दोचंदी ठीक है
12.
12 भी काली कर दियो तो जे आसीए तो पचार दे कहि देबे
Item
मैं
number
नॉन अपेरेंस ऑर्डर करिवे थोड़ा का एडजस्ट कर
13.
यस पास हो काली कर दियो आज टाइम एडजस्टमेंट प्रॉब्लम हो सेकंड हाफ रे
Some urgency.
काली काली जो पर माजी साहब कोजन काली कर देबे काली परदिन कर देबे इवन अर्जेंट अछि काली हिजिबो and purposefully I am not passing order so that it will be returned and again signed and then uploaded all those things immediately it is posted in computer yes
For orders, item number 14.
Budali
Your Lordship, I am for the opposite party number 1 OPAC.
this senior jane appear करछंती कि मैटर रे Mr. Subir Palit
Yes, Lordship.
এটা भी सेमती पोस्टिंग करछन गोटे को दिन को हेले हम पर अर्जेंसी थिला ना कोन काली पर दिन एडजस्ट कर दियो
ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ IA ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି।
हां काली कर दियो
Item number 15.
तो पात्र yes please so Sasanko Sekhar Patra for the petitioner
Counter day 19.
Mr. Lenka आपनकर लर्नेड एसोसिएट नाहंती बोते
हाँ yes not.
टिके पास ओवर आपन को पास ओवर दियो जी ताउते पास ओवर दियो so Parija your matter
Item 3
because I am not passing over because that will be difficult to adjust time I cannot continue till 4:30 like other days please tell your the serial number
Item number 3.
3 yes
Here the petitioner is the son and the OP is the mother. She has claimed before the learned court below.
sit down catch your breath apna jo don't make the mistake of riding the stairs here every floor is 1.5 apna ketna floor asle 3 so maximum what I have discussed this so that this is I'm sharing with you maximum permissible hochi apankar two floors so usually it comes to around 25 steps or 26 but here each floor is 1.5 so you have to catch your breath apna 3 story ta apn chodi gale normal joda thae just catch your breath yes, next just sit down and catch your breath because you are unable to speak
Item number 17.
हाँ इटा ऑर्डर करिवा मेमोटा दियो
Flag.
ऑलरेडी अछि सॉरी यस मिस्टर प्रेमराज गौड़ on behalf of Dr. Jitendra Kumar Lenka for the petitioner $17 kahara brief Mr. Lenka Kara ascending.
Anshuman Shetty.
Mr. Anshuman Shetty, additional standing counsel for the OP number 1. Acha, Mr. Pal has appeared for his seat. Mr. Abhijit Pal for the OP 2 and 3. VUT. Ibi padele. Board of padele. Match. Memo dated 6/7/2026 has been filed by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, which states thus. Hello. Into bracket size. The memo shall be taken on record, scanned copy be updated. The writ petition stands disposed of.
Item number 18.
Today लिखले memo is on record purpose. Memo dated देखते हैं अपन file तो लिखा ही चल. ठीक है sentence ठीक है.
Matter was passed over.
Yes, just it will be because I am not passing it over for the second half. I cannot continue till 4:30 like the other day. Mr. Amlan Shakti Paul for the petitioner. The matter being listed for orders is mentioned by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Learned Counsel refers to the memo dated 7/7/26, which at para 7 states thus. That the matter ta likhi dele ya jo din likha hai then amicable settle lecture seek likhiya padibo ya likha hai quote kari sir the mem tapar likhibe in view of the above the petition is disposed of. Item 3, Mr. Parija. Mother and son kete tanga hichi?
I am ready to maintain my mother.
Actually, I am under a lot of pressure. Because after the day is over, there is a lot of discussion among the secretaries that nowadays the parents have to run to court. In one matter in Berhampur, Mr. Sambhalpur, Mr. Devata, RM Devata, he was appearing, he ensured that some amount is deposited for the mother. She was not coming. And he also ensured that the mother was informed and she received the money.
No, I am ready to maintain my mother.
Readiness to maintain is not actually
financial.
Is not pitted against the decree. Mr. Parija, you are too serious. I know that. I am discussing the question of law. You are not an authority or a person to decide what would happen to the decree because you are ready. No. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯାହା ବି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଅଛି ସେଟଲ ହେଇପାରିବ ବଟ୍ ତାଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ଟଙ୍କା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ କେସରେ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ try to see in fact the same thing in that matter what Mr. Devata was arguing that the mother stays with one son, he instigates bigger family, he is employed as an officer in RBI.
In my case also, exactly.
I can tell the lawyer also, the senior counsel, Mr. Bagh, he is arguing that once it was disposed of by Honorable Justice Sinha and me, then it has again second round now it is here. But
petitioner Bodabhai Bhubaneswar statistical investigator he is serving at.
Acha eta agura astula tal. This is not the first time. I remember statistical maybe possible. Dekhondu kon ki thai pariyo. Kebe ganibe? Parija. Kebe ganibe Mr. Parija?
Kotai ki chhadi ke debe.
3/8 3/8 kar diyo to. Mr. BC Parija for the petitioner opposite party blank. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner was had at some length and has adjournment to obtain instruction. The matter shall be listed for orders in the week commencing 3/8. Mr. Bose, my next matter is pass over code. Yes, 12. And the Purgur kichi achi?
15 uta achi.
Mr. Bose 12. ठीक है. Serial like 12. Yes, Mr. Bose.
Same matter yesterday which I had argued. Local Adalt Award, I am not made a party. I have filed an IA for stay and for leave also. because I was not made a party.
Okay. Say order ta आइए लाकर लिखिए Mr. Amit Prasad Bose for the petitioner, opposite party blank. आइए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is
interesting. You are getting all these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 of 2026. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 2026. The IA has been filed seeking leave.
No, my lord, that is leave is, my lord, 12204 of 26.
Look at the brief.
My lord, flag A is for state.
Okay, look at that.
Yes, I'm looking.
Touch it.
Flag A ta 12,345.
नहीं नहीं आपण brief टा देखो तू brief code brief टा एटाई ऊपर देखो तू cost structure देखो तू just touch करंतु 1 2 3 4 5 6 पेज टा खोली जीवो ऊपर को अनंतु in the matter of
that is 1 2 3 4 5 of 26 is for state.
no you are not reading आपण प्रॉब्लम होची आपण ब्रीफ टा देखछो कोड ब्रीफ टा को खोलंतु पढंतु फ्लैग एटा सीधा फ्लैग ए टच करंतु तापरे पेज टा खोलिला सी गलेनी असिस्टेंट हमन बोल बुकमार्क पे तळ स्क्रॉल करिवे बुकमार्क टा अलगा स्क्रॉल होची
I'm sorry, my lord.
आपण करेक्शन करंतु एटा हेले एटा पेज जाय
1 2 3 4
आपण को जो नंबर टा को चेंज कर दियो
sir 1 2 3 4 5
1 2 3 4 5 of 2026 the application has been filed under chapter 6 rule 27 of the rules of the High Court of Orissa seeking leave to appeal is submitted and stated by the petitioner that it is stated by the petitioner and submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner seeks leave to challenge the decree, the order dated 29/6/2018 and the final decree dated 5/7/2018 in CS number 120/2018 by the Lord Civil Judge Junior Division Joneshwar in Lok Adalat. It is submitted that though the petitioner is a necessary and proper party in the suit, he or she,
they have
the petitioners plural, they were not impeded and the decree is without their knowledge and participation. Para issue notice to the opposite parties. The prayer for leave shall also considered after appearance of the opposite parties respondents. Opposite party to read down opposite parties and read petition lekon. आपण अजून देखले नाही लास्ट लाइन टा काउंट कंक्लूड करो 1 2 3 4 5 3 तापर leave granted for issuance of notice in the writ petition to the opposite parties. The prayer made in the IA shall be further considered after appearance of the parties.
That is another idea for staying the
read petition lekhontu hard learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioners are before this court challenging the order say challenging so and so passed by the learned you take your seat. Please have your seat. Mr. Sodai also, please, Mr. Naik. No, you go through that. That is meant for you.
I have left my file. I have not available.
Please use that. Please use that. They submitted that the order and decree have been obtained without implementing the present petitioners are parties. The subject property is a
ancestral landed property.
the subject property is ancestral landed Ghoravari na
Ghoravari চাষো জমি সব।
so the ancestral landed property such as homestead as well as cultivable land. They submitted that not implementing the present petitioners in the petition goes to the root of the matter, as they have their share and they have their share in the property, which has been directed to be partitioned.
Yes.
Directed to be partitioned in their absence and also excluding them from the partition. In considered view of this court, in paragraph, considered view of this court, the petitioners have made a prima facie case wherein notices have to be issued following the law laid down in Jalor Singh versus State of Punjab, which has been followed by this court in
Madhuchanda Chhani.
Madhuchanda Sahani. Madhusmita.
Madhuchanda.
Madhuchanda Sahani. Para. Notice be issued to the opposite party by speed post with registration and proof of delivery along with this order. Requisites for issuance of notice be filed within 5 working days. Returnable date be fixed to 10/8. Let be fixed to 10/8/2024. The matter shall be listed for orders in the week commencing 17/8/2024. Then IA 12204. I heard learned counsel for the petitioner. He reiterated his submissions as noted above. Issue notice to the opposite parties as above. Accept one set of process fee as well as postal requisites. Stop. The returnable date as well as the next date of listing shall be as directed above. Next. In the interim, it is directed there shall be stay of operation of the order dated on 30/2018 and 5/7/2018 passed in CS number 120 of 2018 by so and so. This for the directed, the parties shall maintain status quo regarding nature, character, ownership and possession of the properties of the subject property till the next date of hearing. State have been in state of hearing, so it have been status quo in next date of hearing.
Yesterday that CRP which my senior was arguing, I went through the order. In fact, in that CRP also, what your lordships followed in Madhuchanda Chhani, relying upon Jalor Singh, that is the order that they have to go to the, they have to file a writ petition questioning the local Adalata. So there is no departure. Though Madhuchanda Chhani was not taken, not placed into service, but ultimately.
But has the lauded court relied on the Supreme Court decision or?
Jalor Singh has only Bhargavi construction. Jalor Singh was not taken. May not be placed into service. And this, but ultimately what your lordship held that the writ court is the only court. That is the purport of their judgment. I yesterday went through it.
So me saying that Madhuchanda is not a bhala judgment, ki jo kharab no is correct.
Absolutely correct.
Kharab judgment no.
No, sir. Sir, Jalor Singh and Bhargavi pare, sir, there is no judgment of the Honorable Apex Court.
Odisha.
Your lordship is the first judgment in Odisha High Court where your lordship relied on enlarged the scope. And now with your lordship's this order, in all these compromise matters, courts are very strict.
They have to be.
They are very strict.
Because it is the entire effort is wasted.
Yes. Previous
judgment hai nahi
sir, agar kon file hutila plain, next day sir defendant compromise.
Anxiety. Maybe we are anxious. Disposal
Kintu sir, that what your lordship held in Madhuchanda, that has been directed by Justice Behra.
Yes, yes.
Now, only that was another scope regarding first appeal that he has interfered in a civil division. But question that local award has to be challenged in a writ court, that is the ultimate finding. So there is no.
Bhargavi has followed Jalor Singh and in similar lines, most likely.
There is no. I will not say that there is an infraction of law. Both are in similar tandem.
Yeah.
But this was not placed into service. Great.
Thank you.
Item number 15.
13 was Mr. Mahapatra. Mr. Mahapatra, I have adjourned it to tomorrow. Any difficulty?
My lord, today,
Tomorrow, is difficulty?
difficulty is there. RBI will already debited the amount and it is parked in sundry account. Unless the order, interim order is there, they can debit the entire amount to the ESI, my lord. What happened, my lord? Just 1 minute, my lord. I will apprise. Actually,
copy that due to Mr.
I'll give the copy, my lord. Only my submission, my lord. Your lordship.
No, Mr. One thing be clear, Mr. Mahapatra, that at the stage of interim order, I will not pass a injunctive order, status quo ante order. I cannot.
No, my lord. No, actually, they have.
No, sunile bujhibe, sir. Kahile bujhibe.
My lord.
Jodi the amount has been debited, I can direct further debit hobo nahi.
No, my lord.
But फिर नहीं, my lord.
I'm just.
I guess it is आपण मु करिवे ना आपण करिवे. So पुराटा सुनिବାକୁ पड़िबो ताहाले बुझी परिबे. Second part टा कोन नहीं my lord जोटा कहउछन.
नहीं, actually,
मु जोटा आपण कहिछ आपण जानले की.
नहीं, once debited from the account, but it has not remitted. They have
सेति की कहिछ की मु.
No.
मो सेंटेंस आपण कंप्लीट करिया को दोनांती खाली कहउछ नो my lord.
No, sorry.
आपणकर anxiety हला जे amount has been debited from your account. Is kept in a sundry account. I will not direct that it shall be reverted to your account unless I hear them. If the amount is sufficient, the reason being that matter mu both today suni leni. So that to save time, I am explaining you. To secure the amount, that amount will not be touched. Status quo will be maintained. But don't expect that I will direct upon pele na seta nei jibe boli.
No, actually,
if say sundry account re rahiba.
No, ha. We are lots of status quo will be passed.
ठीक है. Yes. Yes, Mr. Any instruction? Na asini ki.
Copy तो कहीं नहीं होनी.
वो copy भी कहीं दे चुकी बोली.
No, copy today morning. I will just solve it, but I could not get it. I will give in the due course of the day. I will send. Your lordship.
If these matters are being taken up just like state matter where you survey copy, they have the definite instruction and I pass a order.
Well, I
so kali aso tale.
No, my status quo will be till maintained tomorrow. So I will call.
Status quo to obviously it binds you. It's not a problem. But upon the anxious मतलब है, upon जो पोषण report.
No, my lord. That
you have to ensure upon demand कितने.
Demand 12 lakh.
12 lakh.
हाँ 12 lakh. I just my lord.
राजी copy टा दे दो खाली.
Status quo.
नहीं से अपना instruction नहीं status quo.
My lord. This amount is 12,13,609, my lord.
How much amount is parked in sundry account?
That is 12,13,609.
Tell that is secured, Mr. Ray expresses that the amount is not adequate. So the entire amount is status quo.
Whatever the garnish order is there, the entire amount what has been served on the Reserve Bank of India, they have debited that amount. And now it is.
Third time paying coach.
Millard,
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡାଉଟ୍ ହଉଛି ଯେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନି ତିନି ଥର କହିବେ because ବାରମ୍ବାର କହିଲେ
sorry
our audience will be surprised at how the same thing is said 3-4 times.
No, sorry Millard, sorry.
sorry ସବୁ କଥାରେ କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? No fault is found out. It is a narrative of what has happened. Mr. Dilip Kumar Mahapatra for the petitioner. ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ ଏଟା banking act ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ SBI act ଅଛି ନା କଣ?
SBI act with the bank is body corporate under SBI act and the
act ଅଛି ତ?
Act ଅଛି.
The petitioner is a public sector bank regulated by State Bank of India Act
1955.
By filing the writ application, the petitioner challenges the order dated 11/3/2026 passed by so and so into bracket OP number 2 and order dated 19/6/2026. So and so into bracket OP number 2 and email issued by the Reserve Bank of India dated 2/7/2026 issued by so and so into bracket annexure 8. RBI को पार्टी करचंती
Again.
RBI recovery officer employee state insurance corporation है ना RBI होचंती regional director
Reserve Bank of India, Karolnagar, Bhubaneswar, opposite Patna 3.
नहीं से कौन नीचे ये
Milord.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ RBI ର ଯେ ଆପଣ ଯାହାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି କଲେ ଅଥରିଟି
He regional director of the Bhubaneswar is the authority.
ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିଛନ୍ତି
Now, notice has been issued from the office of the notice, no, the email. Email has been issued from the
ଚିଫ ଜେନେରାଲ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର କୁ ପାର୍ଟି କରିଥାନ୍ତି ତାକୁ ପାଇଁ ପାର୍ଟି କଲେ ନା ଦେଖୁନା 31 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
Milord. Page 31. This one.
Assistant General Manager, Integrated Banking Department, Reserve Bank of India.
Reserve Bank of India, Milord.
कौन ताकू पार्टी करते हैं? Always try to make a party who has passed the order.
Milord. Actually,
which is under judicial scrutiny. आपण वर्तमान गवर्नर को पार्टी करिए. करी होबो? Governor Reserve Bank of India.
My lord, my submission is that he is a desk officer. Actually, he has, after receiving, she has directly given to the CGM.
एटा जो कोचने कौन पाई कोचन? Party no kariya pai?
No, party no kariya.
Rather, you should say that jetu he has issued the notice, he should be made a party.
We will make a party.
I don't know. Upon jaha karchani. But I was trying to understand that upon region, governor na kaha party karchani.
I am the regional manager, regional director of opposite part number 3. Reserve Bank of India.
The order dated 11/3/2026 is a order passed by the IP number 2 authority under section 45G of the ESA Act, read with the second and third schedule of the Income Tax Act. Directing. ଏବେ କପିଟା ଦେଲେ କି ଆପଣ
ନା ଦେଇନା just I'll give just
ଆପଣ ତ କପି ଆଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ
just direction କି
brief भी बनेइबेनी आपण नोटिस नेले कोन डिसमिस शेड्यूल हेबले कि आरंभ
ना मिलट that is not there.
अरे at least 5टा तो brief बनेइथिबे directing payment of directing recovery of rupees 11,24,319 along with statutory interest of at the rate of 15% of per annum 15% per annum from 9/2/2001 up to 30/9/2005 recoverable from the State Bank of India Rayagada branch and JK Paper Mill campus branch. Directing the branch manager SBI Rayagada branch and JK Paper Mill campus branch to pay the amount. Further challenges to the garnishee order dated 19/6/2026, wherein the amount has been garnishee order re court position adile.
SBI has an account in the RBI, Milord. So from that,
the garnishee order directing the amount to be recovered from the account of the State Bank of India as is held in the Reserve Bank of India.
Milord.
Se account bisare koti pa janibe kote khai
page number 27, Milord.
ko jaga re mu 27 re achi
ha Milord. due where there is the information the Reserve Bank of India, Bhubaneswar is acting as the banker of the State Bank of India, approves money. Milord, 27, paragraph 1. Whereas it has become necessary to initiate coercive steps. It is annexure 6.
Got it. Thank you. Bhubaneswar. Yes. What is the ground of challenge? Liability?
The ground of challenge is, Milord, what happened initially, the first garnish order has been issued to Rayagada branch in D. Shankar Rao. D. Shankar Rao account is not available there. So thereafter, they have verified that the PAN number is also wrong. So
liability. Who is liable to pay?
Liable to pay is D. Shankar and its management is JK Paper Mill, Milord, actually. But when the D. Shankar Rao did not pay and defaulted in making the contributions, there is area. So certificate has been issued. In virtue of the certificate, as per the provision, so garnish order has been issued on Rayagada branch. The account is not with the Rayagada branch. Thereafter, so-called notice was issued to the bank. Bank people appeared before the recovery officer, OP number 2, Milord. Thereafter, they have issued a copy to the chairman, State Bank of India. Then there, our data center, they found out how can a account cannot be traced. Thereafter, they have traced it that it is JK Paper Mill. Immediately after receiving that notice, JK Paper Mill branch put the lien or hold on the amount. At that time, only nominal amount 8,000 rupees.
Whatever. Account garnish amount to account
account. So in that we have already put the hold. Then when we have appraised the entire thing to the recovery officer said it is the bank who is to find out unless there is a correct. We have said unless there is give a correct account number and the name. Initially you have given to Rayagada and subsequently when you have come to know, then we have already done it, but they have not listened it. Immediately they have issued the second garnish to Reserve Bank of India. My challenge is, Milord, there is no such provision that the once garnish order has been issued to bank, they can give to the banker's bank. So there is no such provision. It is their manual. They have done a executive instruction, by virtue of that they have given. Had it been so, your lordship, where 46A of CPC says, if any garnish order is disputed, it should have been to fear appeal. But here in ESI Act, there is no provision of appeal. So that is why we have come before your lordship to protect us that the issuance of second garnish order is bad in law. We are agreeing that whatever you have done because of we could not able to test the account. So that is why the party taken all the money from the account in between. So we have apprised, but they did not listen. And they did not fall upon the JK Paper Mill, who is the real management, because D. Shankar Rao is a labor contractor and he is supplying the labors to the JK Paper Mill. So whatever I had unofficially, that notice has also gone to JK Paper Mill.
Okay.
Milord, this is the entire story.
So, initially, I was thinking that whether you are liable to pay or not, then you have clarified that you are not liable to pay.
Milord.
What next one? It is submitted in order to sustain the challenge. It is submitted by Mr. Mahapatra on counsel for the bank. On being pointedly asked that the bank is not the defaulter as far as the amount due towards ESI stuff. One D. Shankar Rao,
opposite part number 5.
OP number 5, who is holding an account in the State Bank of India, is the defaulter. Initially, the ESI authorities approached the Rayagada branch of the State Bank of India to appropriate the entire amount due. As Mr. D. Shankar Rao was not having any account at Rayagada, there was the appropriation of recovery could not be given effect to. Thereafter, the authorities of the bank have approached the ESI and they have traced the account of D. Shankar Rao at in the JK
Paper mill branch
of State Bank of India. For reasons best known to the opposite party authorities, why you are using so much of speed on your paper? Is it necessary, or it has become a compulsive habit of doing this? It's not necessary. Only. ESI authorities, they have chased the bank and approached the bank's banker, that is Reserve Bank of India. As a result, the amount of rupees 12,13,609.00 has been put into a sundry account maintained by the bank's banker, Reserve Bank of India. Stop. The issue notice along with this order. Notice the opposite parties. Learned Sri Ray, learned standing counsel, who usually appears on behalf of the opposite parties, 1 and 2 shall accept notice. Let 2 extra copies of the writ petition be served on Mr. Ray, standing counsel, Amarendra Prasad Ray. पूरा नाम लिख दे। ऊपर appearance तो blank रहे, but fresh matter. To enable him to obtain instruction and file affidavit in response to the writ application. Notice to the opposite parties 3, 4, and 5 shall be issued by speed post with registration and proof of delivery. Requisites for issuance of notice be filed within 3 working days. Stop. The opposite parties number 1 and 2 shall indicate in the affidavit in response to the writ application under what provision they have acted to pass a garnishee order against the account maintained by the banker of UP number 5, the alleged defaulter. Sentence shall specifically indicate in the affidavit. Maintained by the bank. ठीक है अपन से प्रोविजन टा इंडिकेट करंतु माने इट इज समथिंग लाइक एग्जैक्ट हेले एटा अपन कर जो दक्षक करथिले अशोकते यज्ञ जनक पर जने पडिबे तो अपन सेटा करिचली
I have taken instruction and filed my affidavit.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର legitimate due thile you can recover by certificate proceeding, no difficulty. Income tax act रे 45 garnish 45 जी करी करछन but bank account छडा अन्य कोन देखिबे para ये 12479 of 2026 hard right counsel for the petitioner reiterates his submissions as noted above. Issue notice as above. Extra copies of the petition shall be served on the learned standing counsel, Mr. Amarendra Prasad Ray, who usually appears of opposite parties 1 and 2. Notice to the other opposite parties as directed above. In the interim, it is directed that status quo regarding the amount kept in the sundry account. So details could be
that is in page 30, Millard. They have stated already.
On data state kohuntu.
Annexed page 31, Millard.
Who account?
The State Bank of India garnish order dated such and such. This amount 12 lakh they have stated it is debited and it is they have stated already debited from a current account number My lord, para 3 subpara 2 of the page 31 annexure 8, my lord. As per the order indicated, has been debited from your current account number.
The amount as well as the account. Should I likhibe? As per the following details indicated in letter dated,
Mail dated 2nd July,
dated?
2nd July 2026.
2nd July 2026 into bracket annexure 8. So that paibe page 31 re. Paragraph Roman small 2.
Small 2.
As per the order up to RBI. Shall be maintained by the parties. The amount so credited in the sundry account shall abide by the further orders to be passed by this court. What would happen to the relationship between the banker SBI and Mr. D. Shankar Rao?
Take instruction.
No, it ଆପଣ ଭାବନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ସେ ବୁଝେଇ ପାରିବେନି. They are not students of law. ଆପଣ State Bank ରୁ ଯୋଉ ପଇସାଟା ନେଇଗଲେ that is public money. That cannot be attributed to D. Shankar Rao. Then how SBI will recover from D. Shankar Rao? Most likely the answer is no. It cannot. ଆପଣ recover କରିପାରିବେ. D. Shankar Rao ଙ୍କ ପଛରେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଡେଇଲେ, you will go to hell or heaven. ତାଙ୍କ ପଛରେ ଗୋଡେଇ ଗୋଡେଇ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଣିବେ. But ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ State Bank ରୁ ନେଇଗଲେ, that is my money or Mr. Palit's money. Though I don't have money bank in account. That you should have. Okay. So it is good. That is very good example. Both of us not having. I mean that money is not. So that is very interesting. Obviously, it's a very interesting proposition. But maybe your answer will that you are. The law permits you to take any money from the banker. It's a big proposition. But let us see.
They have to act according to the law. Beyond law, they cannot.
ମାନେ ଆପଣ କଣ ତାକୁ accomplish କରିଦେଲେ କି? The banker is accomplice of the defaulter.
I cannot say now.
Obviously, but they cannot say. You have to think in these lines. Yes. The matter shall be received for others for admission in the week commencing.
Aso for week for it.
The week commencing.
10/8/2024. Mobilized.
Yes, Passover actually, since there is a time constraint today, so I not be sorry. I cannot sit for a long period. Second half.
That's item 16.
Serially जाऊँ pra? Serially जाऊँ. Serial.
Item number 15.
14.
14 टा tomorrow.
Tomorrow करती थी अपन tomorrow होगा ना आज करीबे. I think there is a already order.
Already status quo order अच्छी.
Kindly pass on that order. Mr. P.K. Naik for the petition. Mr. Subir Palit, senior advocate, along with Mr. P.K. Naik for the petitioner. Mr. Pradipta Kumar Mahanti, along with Ms. K.T. Mudali. So, Ms. Mudali, पढ़े
I got all of business. Some advertisement by university.
UPSC ର president ଥିଲେ. ସେ କଣ କଲେ?
ଗୋଟେ advertisement କରିଥିଲେ
19 old act my lord. Another question.
2021 with IA number.
Yes.
2026.
So that a fresh petition will be filed my lord. I pray my lord. One thing you lord say that is old act.
ଆପଣ କଥା ମାନିବେ ଯଦି ମୋ କଥା ତ ମୁଁ ସେମିତି ବନେଇ ପାରିବିନି. I cannot pass order ଯେ fresh petition file କରନ୍ତୁ. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ସେ ମାନିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ. ଯୋଉ କଥାଟା ଯେମିତି ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ banker ପଇସା ନେଇଗଲେଣି, State Bank ପଇସା ନେଇଗଲେଣି.
There was already an order in the same proceeding, interim order.
Yes.
So because they re-advertised again without taking leave of the court, I mean, how would naturally we came in the second one? Re-advertised the same post. They should have taken leave of the court. Non-AD କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ. payment I will find.
ଆପଣ ତା maintainability ground ଟା ସେଟାକୁ argue କରିବେ during hearing. But I can't shut the door. ଯେ ଆସିବେନି ବାହାର ଛିଡା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ସେମିତି କରିହବନି ସେମିତି କିଛି concept develop ହେଇନି. Have you read the mark the language used in Article 32? What is guaranteed in Article 32? Right to move the court.
Yes.
So why the language is right to ଶୁଣିଲେ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ sir. ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ now I will shut the door that you.
No, I have not shut the door.
So no, you cannot. You cannot be forcibly evicted. ଆପଣ ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି, that's the problem. ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଡ proposition କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ତାପରେ ପଚାରିଲେ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଗପୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେମିତି କରନ୍ତୁନି. If ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ this writ petition is not maintainable or the prayer is not maintainable. ସେଟା କେତେବେଳେ କହିବେ? ଆପଣ ଯଦି opportunity ଦିଆଯିବ ନା ନାହିଁ? ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଣି ନ ଶୁଣିକି ଯଦି ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଦିଆଯିବ ତାହେଲେ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି ହବ। ସେ ହାରିଯିବ ତାଙ୍କ କେସରେ ଆଉ କଣ? ଆପଣ ଜିତିବାକୁ ନା ହାରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି? ଆପଣ ଜିତିବାକୁ ନାହାନ୍ତି। ସେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ I am not saying about Mr. Nath. I am saying about you means your client. That is how you are wearing a robe and gown. ଆପଣ ଆଇଏ ମେଣ୍ଟେନେବଲ ନୁହଁ ନା କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ସେଟା ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବେ, ସେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହିୟରିଂ ହବ କହିବେ, ସେଟା ଆଇଏ ଡିସମିସ୍ ହେଇଯିବ ସେଇ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ। ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିବେ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଆଇଏ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁନି, ସେମିତି କୋର୍ଟ ହାଜ नो ଅଥରିଟି ଅର ଜୁରିସଡିକ୍ସନ। ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 32 ଟା ଦେଖିବେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ they have a right to move the court. କଣ yes my lord? Next aspect ଟା କଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି? Every right has a corresponding duty. So the court has a duty to be moved, not to shut the door. Both of us were taught by the same audio. You'll be surprised at how a thinker can, to what level they are thinking. He was consultant to South Africa constituent.
Different level. ତାଙ୍କୁ ବସିଥିଲେ ପରା ଇଏରେ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଏଲିଭେଟ କରିବେ ବୋଲି ବସିଥିଲେ। They wanted to elevate him directly to Supreme Court. He refused.
और भी अच्छा ସେଥିରେ ऊपर लिख देवे urgent certificate copy be issued as per rules. Difficult. You know the timing today. Very difficult. तो देखिए आगे करो तो. During course of the day, there will be some loss of time today. Appearance lecture. Mr. Pradipta Kumar Manti along with Ms. Katie Mudali for the opposite party number 1. अब रमा देवी पे आपण कर कुछ मिस्टर अमित कुमार नाथ for OP number 2 and 3. The IA has been filed with the following prayer. IA number
10029.
10029 of 2026 along with WPC 7034 of 2021. मोर जो earlier order टा अपन पाखे रखी की similar matter I have passed an order.
No, more packet nice.
That is actually this matter. Gangata GM college Puri law.
नहीं रमादेवी कॉलेज रे मुझे पास कर चुकी
No, sir, more packet to nice.
आपण आईटा प्लेस करथिले आज लेकिन when I have heard this matter I thought that I have already passed the order.
No, sir.
The other day we were
No, my lord, your lordship kept it to today.
okay. The IA has been filed with the following prayer. But I heard Lord Senior Advocate for the petitioner, it is submitted that during pendency of the writ petition, by advertisement number 4151 dated 30/4/2026, another recruitment process has been started. Which involves the similar question of law as well as facts as raised in the presented application. Copy of the IA has been served on counsel appearing for the Public Service Commission as well as counsel appearing for the university. Interim order is that the process should continue, but no final decision. In the
Only,
interim, it is directed
only
that-
with respect to one post.
in the interim, it is direct. Considering the learned counsel for the university objects the prayer, interim prayer. She has come. Miss Mudali, you have gone back.
Yes.
Unmute yourself. Unmute the microphone, rather.
Pardon your lordship,
IA copy has not been served on you or has been served on you.
Yes.
I have received the IA copy, your lordship.
Okay. Well, ठीक है चोरा. IA copy served has been served. The learned counsel for the university opposes the interim prayer. Having had learned counsel for the senior counsel for the petitioner, the counsel for the OP number 1 university, OP number 1 PSC, OPSC, and the learned counsel for the university. In the interim, it is directed that the recruitment process pursuant to the advertisement number 4151 dated 30/4/2026 as a annexure A to the, this should have been not A, a continuation of
Yes.
A na takar habo.
Amara
That will be annoyed.
continuation of
जो जाए जाइथिबो 15 की ताबिटा 16 ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା for example जो जाए जाइथिबो continuation रहबा marked as annexure A to the IA shall continue, but the result regarding post of assistant professor gender studies under ST category in Ramadevi Women's University shall not be published without leave of this court.
Yes.
Great.
It shall be ready.
Urgent call. Whenever.
Second
old matter.
Similar matter.
Protection achi.
second अच्छी कोच
Protection.
But tomorrow it can be uploaded because
Protection ta continue kariyo second.
second रे the interim order has passed on.
Interim order to continue.
ସେଥିରେ ଆଉ line add କରିବେ ଯୋଉଟା ସବୁ କହୁଥିଲି. The name of Mr. Samarendra Bahadur and learned counsel and learned associates shall be deleted from the cause list as well as case brief, as the petitioner has obtained change and Mr. Prasanto Kumar Nayak, learned counsel, has entered appearance after obtaining consent.
Interim ta continue. Second.
Yes, second matter रे भी share होइबो. Samarendra Ashok Mahapatra Samarendra Bahadur delete ହେଇଗଲା. Appearance रहिबो Mr. Pradipta Kumar Mahanti, senior advocate, along with KT Mudali. इतने OPSC को पार्टी करते हैं
हाँ
इतना पार्टी है
the previous mentioned OP3
जी
yes
ताल सेटा दरकार सेटा बोल जान তাহলে ঠিক আছে সেটারে interim order dated so and so shall continue till the
Yes.
next date of hearing.
Yes. Pardon your lordship, item number 19, behalf of Mr.
Just 1 second. We are going serially. Then again.
Item number 15.
Count. Mr. Anshuman, counter कौन है ला?
Lordship, last letter was sent on 22nd 5/2026. I have called the BEO, so we'll be filing in 2 weeks, Your Lord, in 2 weeks.
Mr. Sosakar Patra for the petitioner.
Last occasion,
Mr. Anshuman Sethi, additional standing counsel for the opposite party. Learned counsel for the petitioner refers to the earlier orders and submits that several occasions adjournment has been granted to file counter. In response, it is submitted by the learned AC that he has already discussed the matter with OP number 3, who is to file counter, and counter shall be filed within 2 weeks. So accordingly, it is directed the counter shall be filed by 21/7/2026 upon serving copy thereof on learned counsel for the petitioner. The matter shall be listed for orders in the week commencing 27/7/2026.
last occasion, Mr. Counsel Pradipta submitted.
आपन expertise hearing रो concept कोन अछि read रे. Let us assume I allow the prayer. The next day they will file application for recall of that order. Effective merit adjudication नहले किछि लाभ नै.
Last occasion, his prayer is genuine, and I have sought for the instruction on that way. Only he was asking for the.
आपन चाहू जे कोन एटा read petition allow ही जो त. But you should be ready for the next step also. They will file a recall petition that we are not being heard. Yes, next.
Item number 19.
16.
16 अर्जन
19 टा सही फैमिली
से मेंशन करथिले 16 टा 16 टा केबे डेट करछन
commencing 3
आपण यू आर मैडम फॉर द ऑपोजिट पार्टी आई आस्क देम टू इन्फॉर्म यू तो कोरोना दिन मो कोन करी केबे करछन
commencing 3/8.
वी कमेंसिंग 3/8
Item number 19.
Item
Mr. Sanjeev Chakraborty for the petitioner. सीबी में adjournment मांगुतले.
चित्र सर मोर किछि असुविधा नै तो ऑर्डर तो किछि केही मांगु ना के चित्र कोन हेजी मोर भी गोटे भूल रे देछि जे कोर्ट मोर टिके भूल रे देछि हमें जो ऑर्डर नेइथलु ऑन दी जजमेंट सेतोल एजुकेशन केस फाइलिंग असला सब्सिक्वेंटली दे हैव फाइल्ड एजुकेशन केस my party is in military but they got the notice sufficient and said it should do that. That's what I got information from my client. Education was filed subsequently. I mean, the report I made to the judge family court, so they can the report.
ताको देहरे माने सिकुचन जे से ऑर्डर्स हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर ता सेथरे जड़ा पड़ी
जणैलु भी सेटा करि पात
हां से माने
he didn't record
what you are saying is maybe correct but cv जोटा कोचनी they have found out a way out
ठीक अछि but when I sought the copy I filed the order of certificate order copy of this
तापरे फाइल कला परे कोन हला तापरे
कले नहीं तो रिकॉल देखन त आपन रिपोर्ट पठी तो रिकॉल कले नहीं हमें जो रिपोर्ट पठी जे आपन कॉल पर करछन मु गां को
7/25 ऑर्डर ता
आपन करो
नहीं नहीं फैमिली जज कर को थरे से माने ऑर्डर माने हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर पर को ऑर्डर ता सेटा मु पचारछु
हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर पर से वारंट अछि मोर ऑर्डर नहीं हाई कोर्ट को ऑर्डर हुई 28/3/2024
15/5/26 ରେ କିଏ ଆସିଲେ?
14/5 ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର ଥିଲା 14/5 ପରେ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ସହିତ 15/5 ମୁଭ୍ କଲି ସେ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ୱାରେଣ୍ଟଟା ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଛି। ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁସନ କେସ୍ 26/24 ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଛି ୱାରେଣ୍ଟଟା। ହଁ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ବି ସବସିକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟଲି ଫାଇଲ କଲି ତାକୁ ତ କନସିଡର କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ନା।
ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଖିବେ ଏଠି ଏ ଯୋଉ ପେପରଲେସ୍ ସେ ଟିକେ ଓପନ କରନ୍ତୁ ଫ୍ଲାଗ 1 ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ।
ଯୋଉ ମୋ ରିକଲ୍ ପିଟିସନ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କଲେ
ଅର୍ଡର ଡେଟେଡ୍ CRP ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁସନ ନମ୍ବର 26 ଫ୍ଲାଗ 1 ରେ ତଳକୁ ସ୍ଟୋର କରନ୍ତୁ। ଅର୍ଡର ନମ୍ବର 22 16/5/26
16/5
ହଁ ତଳକୁ ଅଛି
8/5 ପରେ
ଆପଣ କେମିତି ମୋର ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର ଦେଖଉନି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର ଅଛି? ମୋର କିଛି ପେଜ ନାହିଁ
କ୍ରସ ମାର୍କ ଅଛି ସେଇଠି ଅଛି। ହଁ ସେ
16/5/26
ମାନେ ସେଥିରେ ପେଜ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇନି କିନ୍ତୁ PDF ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି। ସେଟା କଣ ବହୁତ କଥା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ବାଇ ଦ ୱେ अर्लियर ऑर्डर देयर वाज नो स्क्रैप ऑफ पेपर तापर कौन लिखले समन्स इशूड अगेंस्ट तो समन्स इशूड अगेंस्ट ओपी धर्मेंद्र सेटू देखो
ସେତେବେଳେ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁସନ କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇନଥିଲା ନଥିବ ବି
समन्स इशूड अगेंस्ट ओपी धर्मेंद्र
Fact remains that 21/24 this execution
ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ବୁଝିବାଟା ବି କଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ବହୁତ କଥା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତ
ବହୁତ ଲୋକ
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ସେଇଟା ପଢି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସମନ୍ସ ଇଶୁଡ अगेंस्ट ओपी धर्मेंद्र ସେଟୁ ପଢି ପାଇଲେ ସେଟା
the summons issued against OP Dharmendra got sufficient and to this end service affidavit was filed by the petitioner number 1 summons କୋଉଠି ଯାଇଥିଲା ବି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ କାହିଁକି ସେ ରହୁଛି ଆର୍ମିରେ ବାହାରେ ରହୁଛି but said Dharmendra did not take pen enter appearance before this court on the several urgent date on which as per this court directed the OP to make payment neither directed to make payment of such arrear maintenance in 40 installments and in last installment of STK commencing from 7 August 25 ସେତେବେଳେ stay ଅଛି ଆମର filling which order was made for coercive measure thereafter on the adjourned date 7/8/25 neither the OP remained present nor his representative to take step then this court issued GW and conditional into arrest ତାପରେ ସେଟା ଏଇଟା ଦେଲେ
ତାର ଅର୍ଥ କଣ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଥ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି
କଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା କଣ କି ଆମକୁ ଏଜୁକେସନ କେସ୍ ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା ଆମେ କିଛି ଆପିୟର କରୁନି କି ନାହିଁ ଇନସ୍ପାଇଟ ଅଫ ନୋଟିସ ତାଙ୍କ କହିବା କଥା ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଲାନି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଲେ ସେ ଆବଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିକି ଲାଷ୍ଟ
ସେଟା ତ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ବି ଆପଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଇଜ ଆୱେର ଅଫ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଆପିୟର କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ବା ମେ ବି ହେଲା
ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
ତାପରେ
ଯଦି ବି ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ ସେଦିନ ଫାଇଲ କଲୁ ସେ ତାପରେ ବି କିଛି
ଅର୍ଡରଟା କଣ ଷ୍ଟେ ହେଇନି ନା କଣ ଏଥିରେ RPFM ରେ ଷ୍ଟେ କିଛି ହେଇନି
RPFM ରେ ଷ୍ଟେ ଥିଲା ନା 28/3/2024 24 ମସିହାରେ ବିଫୋର ଫାଇଲିଂ ଅଫ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁସନ ସେଇ ଷ୍ଟେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ପାଇଁ ତ ଚାଲିଛି ସବୁ
ସେଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ରିପୋର୍ଟ pursuant to
ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ନାହିଁ
pursuant to the order dated 14/5/2026 report has been furnished by the learned family judge Jajpur learned judge family court Jajpur by letter number 326 of dated 18/5/2026 to the said letter the order dated 15/5/2026 as well as 16/5/2026 have been annexed, passed in CR P into bracket A, EXN number 26/2024. The order dated 16/5/2026 runs into several pages. Apparently, the order dated 16/5/2026 has been passed after the order dated 28/3/2024 was passed by the coordinate bench, which was noted by the subsequent order dated 14/5/2026. Original of the order passed by the Learned Judge Family Court indicates that till date, the Learned Judge Family Court has failed to take note of the order dated 28/3/2024. Though, as directed by this court by order dated paragraph 8 of order dated 14/5/2026, was communicated by the registry and report was directed to be submitted by 25/5/2026. The Learned Judge Family Court has not indicated in his order or his letter whether he has received the order dated 14/5/2026 forwarded by the registry of this court as directed. The registrar judicial shall put up a shall place on record a note when the order dated 14/5/2026 was forwarded to be received by the Learned Judge Family Court and when the Learned Judge Family Court has received the same. এটা গোটে অর্ডার দিয়ে গেল নেক্সট অর্ডার লেখন্তু ସେ ଯୋଉ ୱାରେଣ୍ଟ ଗୁଡାକ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ସେଟା ଆଇଏ ରେ ମେନସନ ହେଇଛି ନା କୋଉଠି
ୱାରେଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଆଇଏ ତ ଫାଇଲ କରିବି ଆଇଏ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲି ୱାରେଣ୍ଟ
ଦେଖିଲେ କି
ଓରାଲି କହିଛନ୍ତି
ଡେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଟୁମୋର ଆସୁ ଆପଣ ତା ଭିତରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ ଦ ଓରାଲ ଅନ ବିଂ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଟା କୋଉଥିରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ
ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ପୁରା ଅପ ଟୁ ଡେଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଆଗରୁ ବି ଦେଇଥିଲି ତାପରେ
ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି ଆଜ ରେକର୍ଡେଡ ବାଇ ଅର୍ଡର ଡେଟେଡ 14/5/2026
ସେମାନେ ଆଡମିଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଉଛନ୍ତି
The petitioner has been going on paying rupees 10,000 from the date of passing of the order from 28/3/2024 till June 2026. Admit କୋଉଠି କଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ଦେଖେଇଲେ କୋଉଠି ଆଡମିଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇ 14/5
the Learned Counsel for the
opposite party admit କଲେ 14/5 ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଛି
had made a statement which was recorded that the petitioner is receiving the said amount of rupees 10,000 per month. It out of put. Perusal of the report furnished by the report dated 18/5/26
para 7 ରେ admit କଲେ
perusal of the letter dated 18/5/2026 in response to the email from this court, the registry of this court by memo number 10482 dated 14/5/2026. does not refer to the order passed by the coordinate bench dated 28/3/2024 or the order dated 14/5/2026 passed by this court. By this bench. In view of the piquant situation created by the subsequent order passed by the Learned Judge Family Court, the NBW could stay home.
NBW ଟା issue ହେଇଛି
The NBW should have been filed କରିଦିଅ
ସେ ନିଜେ କହିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଥିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେବେ ସେ କହିଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇଟା ବାହାର କଲେ ସେ ଏତେ ଲମ୍ବା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଲେଖିଲେ ଯେ ତାକୁ ପଢିକି ବୁଝିବା କଷ୍ଟ।
order was made for the director on agenda 7/8/25 DW and NBW at issue. The summons
The order dated 7/8/25
likely failing which order was made for coercive measures thereafter on the adjourned date that is 7/8/25.
The order dated 7/8/2025 with regard to issuance of fresh DW and conditional NBW worth rupees 8,03,500 shall remain stayed till the next date of hearing. The matter shall be listed for orders in the week commencing
10 ପରେ
10/8/2026
ପରେ 17 ରହିବି ନା
17/8 नहीं से रिपोर्ट आसियो ना। The matter shall be listed for 10/8 for ये जो ऊपर order लिखते हैं for consideration of the report the matter shall be listed for orders on आज के 3
ଆଜି ହଉଛି 8
listed on 14 कर दियो
14/7 ହବନି
14/7 ଟା ସେ ଏମାନେ କେବେ ପଠେଇଲେ ସେ ପାଇଲେ କି ନାହିଁ କାରଣ ସେ ରେଫର କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଯେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର କୁ ବିଲକୁଲ ରେଫର କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ପଠେଇଲାରୁ ସୁବିଧା ହେଇଛି। ସେ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ମଣିଷ ଅଧିକା ଚାଲାକ ହୁଏ ଯୋଉ ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ ଓକିଲ ଦେଲେ ସେଟା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଯୋଉଟା ପଠେଇ ସେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବଟ୍ ଲେଟରରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ମେମୋ ଅଫ ସୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସୋ ମେମୋ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଇମେଲ
14/8 लिस्ट हो 14/8 ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅଫିସିଆଲ କାମଟା ସରିଗଲେ 14/8 ଲିଷ୍ଟ
ସେଇଟା ଅର୍ଡର 14/8 ହିଁ ରହିବ ସେଟା କଣ ୱିକ୍ କମେନ୍ସିଂ କେତେ 17/8 କହିଲେ 17/8 କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଉପର ଅର୍ଡରଟା କରିଦେବେ ଫର କନସିଡରେସନ ଅଫ ଦ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅନ୍ ଏଟ୍ ଏଟା ଅଲଗା ଅର୍ଡର ହଉଛି ଏକା ଅର୍ଡର ୟେସ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ
ଏଥିରେ ନାୟକର ନାଁଟା ଡିଲିଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛୁ କାରଣ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ଦାସ ଆପିୟର କରିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କନସେପ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା ରହୁଛି ସେ ଡିଲିଟ କରିବା
ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ଆଡ୍ କରିବେ ଯୋଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଅର୍ଡରଟାରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ସାର୍
रजत कुमार होता है बिहाफ ऑफ प्रतीक नायक रजत कुमार होता है
Rajat Kumar
होता
So Rajat Kumar Hotta, Learned Counsel submits that name of Mr. Pratik Nayak, Learned Counsel, appearing for the opposite party, be deleted from the cause list as well as the case brief. As the opposite party has obtained change, and Sri P.C. Das, Learned Counsel, has entered appearance.
Pardon your lordship, item number 30 adjournment allow I forgot to mention kindly in 30
সেটা রুহন্তু সেটা পড়েনি সেটা মজিরে don't become the jack out of the box suddenly pop up and say something that's procedure in court. Yes, next
item number 21 item 11 your lordship
Mr. Nayak ଆପଣ କେତେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
item 11
11 ଟା କେବେ କୁ ରଖୁଛନ୍ତି
11 ଟା tomorrow ରହିଛି
ଆସିଯିବ Mr. Nayak
my lord 84 days delay matter in filing the revision my lord.
Yes sir. So have you honored the decree deposited any amount or
my lord I am only continuously I am depositing my lord 18,000 per month.
So kindly file that affidavit.
My lord it's there my lord in the orders in the judgment my lord. Regularly I am paying.
No para 3 ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା my lord
17/3/26 order ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ सीधा टच करिवे 17/3 सीधा टच करନ୍ତୁ सीधा खोलियो para 3 kindly read
17-26 my lord.
Yes.
My lord.
Order number 1.
The petitioner was the petition husband in the marriage and father of the minor girl.
No,
Guys,
save time, you straight away come to para 3 so that you save time. Because I was asking you the affidavit.
Only comes with petition shall obtain an instruction how much amount the petition will. My lord, it's there, my lord, in the.
So now, the next order is Vice Chair.
My lord, vice chair. The list. Instruction, my lord, it's there, my lord. And what I'm submitting, my lord, your lord.
You filed the affidavit.
I have not filed, my lord.
So you filed the affidavit. Had done a
Notice has not been gone, my lord.
ଆପଣ affidavit ରେ notice କଣ ଦରକାର ଆପଣ appear କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ memo ଦେଇଦେବି, my lord, I am paying the amount.
affidavit.
So I put
In response to the order dated 17/3/2026, the petitioner had adjournment. Again on 22/4/2026, the learned counsel for the petitioner had adjournment to file the affidavit. Today, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits the matter, submits that the notice may be issued in the limitation. Para. The order dated 17/3/2026 is reiterated and the petitioner shall file affidavit indicating the amount paid, giving details in brief such as date of payment, mode of payment, and amount paid. Considering the fact that the petitioner has already been granted 3 months' time to file the affidavit, the affidavit shall be filed by
1 month. 1 month, my
How
lord.
do you 1 month? 3 months not enough.
No, my lord, I have not because he is serving it outside, my lord. He is a government servant, my lord. He is a scientist.
Government servants will not file affidavit.
No, my lord, he will come because I have to.
More to so reason that he should file affidavit.
My lord.
The affidavit be filed by
He is a scientist, my lord. That's why.
scientist and he will not file. It
No,
is
no, I am
submitted
not
by the
saying
learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner being a scientist and government servant,
No,
3 months has not been adequate for him to file the affidavit. The pre-posterior submission has only can only be rejected. Further adjournment is granted reluctantly. Copy of this order shall be forwarded to the learned court, learned Judge Family Court Cuttack, to be kept in the records of criminal proceeding number 91 of 2019, disposed of by judgment dated 30/11/2023. You should be Mr. Nayak. He should be at your beck and call, not you.
Yes, ma'am.
If he's taking liberty with you, don't entertain. Why he will not respond to you from since 17/3?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are taking the liability of filing a memo. Memo you can sign, he cannot sign. You have to file a simple affidavit, 1 paragraph.
My lord, including, my lord, the payment structure also. When online he is paying, my lord.
Not structure.
Online he is paying transaction.
Hard what I said. What?
I am said. I am already had, my lord.
You are remembering everything what has been told to you by the client. Also remember what the court has. Very brief.
No.
Amount paid, mode of payment, and the date of payment. That's it.
My lord. No, my limited submission, my lord, some more time. I was also short.
No, 3 months is adequate. 4 months time is adequate for scientists and government servants. 17/3 to 17/7 is 4 months.
Yes,
I have taken it to be 3 months. So adequate time is granted. Yes, next.
My lord, your lordship.
Matter shall be listed in the week commencing 3/8/2026.
Item number 22.
Yes, next.
Can be taken up next week.
Sorry, sir?
No, in 22, my lord,
Can be taken up next
I
week.
appear for the other side, my lords. Your lordship may see what has happened here. Taking advantage of an interim order, a divorce petition has been stalled for years, my lord.
That is the usual thing, sir.
No, it cannot go on forever, my lords. And my learned friend was never appearing. whenever the matters were being listed, he was conveniently staying away, my lords. Let the interim orders be vacated, my lords.
Why interim order may kindly be continued taken up by
Why should
next
it
week, my lord.
Why should it be?
Well, last time your lordship may kindly be see the last time order. The opposite party was
adjournment say ଗୋଟେ week ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆର week ରେ ରଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
my lord.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି I have got no
you are right
objection.
you are right actually I am really happy that you are raising this issue
Lords, I
because I
am
have been
only
asking this
submitting.
that why the matter is adjourned when the trial is interdicted the purpose is frustrated of the statute is frustrated
No, I am submitting. If they want a transfer to any other place, let it be transferred, my lords. I have no objection.
transfer allow ହେଇଯାଉ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା disposed of ଆପଣ ସାର୍ କୋଉଠି ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଭାଇ yes Ms. Mehta କୋଉଠି
No, Cuttack, my lords, it will be difficult for me. Let it be Bhadrak.
from Andhapur to
ଆନ୍ଦପୁର ଭଦ୍ରକ ଲାଗିଛି ଆପଣ ଆନ୍ଦପୁରରୁ କଟକ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମାନେ କୋଉ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର
the petitioner was studying in Bhubaneswar and staying at Cuttack.
ଏବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି କେତେବେଳେ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରୁଥିଲା
doing PG in ସମ୍ବଲପୁର so it should go to ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଫରେନ୍ ଗଲେ କଣ କରିବେ
No, well.
ଫରେନ୍ ଯିବେନି
She was now staying in Cuttack.
Not at all, my lord.
studying in Bhubaneswar staying in କଟକ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତାଙ୍କର further studies ପାଇଁ ଫରେନ୍ ଯିବେ ତାହେଲେ କଣ ହବ ଗଲା ଏଠି କେସ୍ ଗଲା
Better convenience.
କଟକରେ ଆପଣ ତ କରିବେ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ମିସ୍ ମେଟା
ମୁଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ସମୟ ମୋର ହଉନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଏ
ମାନେ ମୁଁ ମେଟା କହିଲି ମିସ୍ ମେଟା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ କହିଲି ଯେ ଆପଣ କରିବେ ମିସ୍ ମେଟା ମୁଁ ତାପରେ କହିଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ ନା ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି କୋର୍ଟ ଦି ପାର୍ଟି ହାଜ ଟୁ କମ୍ ଅନ୍ ଇଚ୍ ଡେଟ୍ he will leave his job and
ଆପଣ I think it's a very reasonable suggestion ଆପଣ ଭଦ୍ରକରେ ରହୁ adjacent district of ଆନ୍ଦପୁର
Another case has been pending before the Cuttack.
କଟକରେ କୌଣସି କେସ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା ନାହିଁ there is no case at Cuttack.
CRPC proceeding is pending before the
No, my lord. That has been dismissed. That has been dismissed.
ଥିବ ସେଠି ହବ ସବୁ କେସ୍ ସେମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ
better convenience for his studying at Bhubaneswar and he was staying at Cuttack.
କଣ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି
ଦେଖିବା
Technically,
କେବେ ପଢିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ
technical engineer ପଢୁଛି.
ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ
ପୁରା ଡାହା ମିଛ କଥା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଡାହା ମିଛ କଥା
ଟିକେ ଦାହା ମିଛ ଆଜ୍ଞା କହିବା ଇଜ ପ୍ରେରୋଗେଟିଭ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
just give us a moment
ଏବେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
All these things, my lord. I have not
all
gone
these
through
things ଆପଣ sufficient time ନେଲେ
properly. Now I am not properly gone through the properly.
still worse
Next week, my lord.
record Mr. Satpathy, you are on record that you are saying after 4 years on record
No,
that
my
you are not gone through the brief
Can I take up next week?
and I
Just
never had the courage to say this to the court that I have not gone through
No. On BTech course.
କୋଉଠି କେବେ ପଢିଲା ଆଣ ମତେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ ମତେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Details is not with me.
ହେଟା
Just only identity card is with me.
ଆରେ ସେଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବଢାନ୍ତୁ
ଏଇଟା ପୁରୁଣା କାର୍ଡଟା ଏଇଟା the date. The details ନାହିଁ.
ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରିବି
BTech course କରୁଥିଲି ତାପରେ details ଟା ମୋ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ ସେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଗୋଟେ କଣ କୋର୍ସ କରୁଛନ୍ତି details ଟା next week ମୁଁ କାଲି ବି ଏଟା କିନା ମୁଁ details ଟା
allowed transfer is allowed to both Bhadrak
obliged me and time limit may be fixed, my lords, for disposal of
in Allahabad Bar Association Supreme Court cannot be fixed so
your lordship may say that
they will
cooperate.
They will cooperate and
Right, my lord.
that observation
that is enough.
Yes,
obliged.
Item number 23.
এটা orders reserved for দিও তো 22 টা কি judgment reserved
Item 23, instruction has come rejecting the prayer of the petitioner. I'll file a complaint that some time be granted.
Mr. Your name, sir?
Sai Prasad Malik.
Again?
Sai Prasad Malik.
Mr. Sai Prasad Malik on behalf of J.K. Misra for the petitioner. Mr. Prem Kumar Mahanti, additional standing counsel for the OP. The learned counsel for the opposite party submits that, learned AC for the opposite party submits that he has received instructions and filed the compliance affidavit. Given further time, how much time? 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
The compliance affidavit will be filed by 22/7/2024 upon serving copy thereof from the learned counsel for the petitioner. The matter shall be listed in the week commencing. On date केबे कर पे 3/8 তাহলে 3/8 ले 27 साथे करबे
My lord, extremely sorry. I'm for the 24. Item number 24.
23 petitioner non करबे
Item number 24.
So Sai Prasad Malik for the petitioner.
My lord, I have no instruction from the petitioner.
The learned counsel for the petitioner. ଆପଣ ସେଟା ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ नो instruction ବୋଲି ମାନେ ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ ହେଇଯିବ ନା କଣ
My lord, ଏବେ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛୁ.
ଏଇଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଆପଣ
My lord, instruction ତ କିଛି ମାନେ କଲ ରିସିଭ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ଆମର.
କଣ କରିବା କୋର୍ଟ କଣ କରିବେ ସେଟା ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କରିଦେବା ନା ନାଇଁ କଣ ନା ଆଡଜର୍ନମେଣ୍ଟ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
An adjournment.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that despite his efforts the petitioner remains incommunicative and does not respond to phone calls. Stop. He seeks for adjournment. Stop. Accordingly, the matter shall be listed for orders in the week commencing 10/8. Yes, next.
Item number 25.
The five plots on behalf of Mr. Rutlal is having this a problem. Let be taken up 2 weeks after, my lord.
25 re simply adjourn kar diyantu tahale Mr. Mishra.
My lord, my lords, I am there. I have a serious objection to this, my lords. It is adjourning from the pre-vacation period, my lords. And your lordship tried to list this on 22nd. That was not taken up. My lord, the other side is taking time. Here, my lord, the prayer is very innocuous. In this case, the IA has been filed. Your lordship may kindly see the IA.
Okay.
My lords.
Ready with the file.
Okay, Mr. Somnath Mishra for the petitioner. Mr. Karunakar Das on behalf of SK Ruplal for the opposite party.
And I'm for the opinion 3.
Opinion number 1 and 2.
Opinion number 1 and 2. Your name, sir?
Manoj Kumar Rautre, MK Rautre.
I have no problem with opinion number 3.
Mr. Manoj Kumar Rautre for opinion number
3.
Opinion number 3.
Bank. This for bank.
The matter being listed, the matter being taken up for orders. Adjournment is sought for on behalf of the learned counsel for the opinion number 1 and 2 on the ground of personal difficulty. The learned counsel for the petitioners refers to the earlier orders dated 12/9/2025. So, keep appear kare adjournment name 12/9 no. 12/9 then 26/9/2025.
ଗୋଟେ କିଛି objection ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
11/11/2025 ସେଟା ସେଠି ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ଏଠି କାଚ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ଏ କାଚ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲେ ଆଉ କରିହବନି ତାପରେ 6/1/2026 14/5/2026 to submit that sufficient time has been granted and the apparent strategy of the opposite party number 1 and 2 is to adjourn the matter somehow or the other. Stop. However, being persuaded by Mr. Das, learned counsel, learned proxy counsel on behalf of the opinion number 1 and 2, adjournment is granted reluctantly. The matter shall be listed for orders in the week commencing 27/7. 3/8 Mr. Mishra.
My lord, बहुत देरी हो सर. Can I be permitted to say something? Can I be permitted to say something, my lord? But just
we are actually running short of time. Sorry.
Yes, I know that your lordship is rising early. I know that also. But what has happened? Just a minute, only 1 minute. Your lordship may kindly see that the ESI corporation has taken a draft of 3 lakhs. Suppose 3 lakhs or more, 3 lakhs. Yes, they have taken. Now, with the, in spite of the stay order granted by this Hon'Ble court, now they said by writing mail they intimated the petitioner that you approach for amnesty scheme.
No, after you complete, give me 30 seconds to say something. Because
Okay.
today, I think you should have been in the court actually.
My lord, I should have been, but
What has happened today? I had to interfere. You do know they have gone to the banker.
Yes, yes. I was just hearing. My lord, this is high-handed.
High-handed.
Sheer high-handedness of USA corporation.
No, Mr. Misra, you'll find it difficult to believe. Now they have issued garnish order against the State Bank's account in Reserve Bank of India.
Reserve Bank of India. I was hearing that matter. My lord, very much unfortunate.
So they can go to any extent.
Sir, interesting देखो पारा 2 रे मु लेखिची से मते कहिले चिट्ठी देकरी कहिले कि तमे amnesty scheme avail करो. My lord,
से पारा 2 पाए तो बर्तन देह खराब. अब आज मिस्टर दास कर मन खराब.
मु सेतरे नहीं.
और ओनली प्रॉब्लम हो जी टाइम समय अभाव नॉट कुड हैव कंटिन्यूड द डिस्कशन.
नेक्स्ट वीक रहते ना से मानकर 3 लाख टका पड़ी छी एंड दैट ड्राफ्ट पहला ड्राफ्ट हैज एक्सपायर्ड. मैंने 3 मास समय पड़िलानी.
ते कोन आपण तो जाय कि रिजर्व बैंक को गार्निश ऑर्डर कर देलिनी. आपण माने आपणकर वकीलकर क्लाइंट तो से कह जे आगे मु नो आपण जो वकील पे अपेयर करछन तांको क्लाइंट.
In fact, Mr. Rupal has some problem.
I mean, it is very difficult to understand also. Anyway, no difficulty. এটা में कोई क्यों रखी है? Recommencing 13 साथे कर दियो. Adjust कर for orders. ठीक है. Next.
Item number 26. 27 तारीख.
ते 10 मिनिट accommodate करंतु तांकर मन खराब.
ना मन इतनी खराब जे से ता पुअर
परीक्षा चलसी.
या केस तो खराब आज्ञा. केस खराब रे पुओ परीक्षा दबनी को पुओ पर पाठ छाड़ दबो. आज्ञा वकील को पिला माने बहुत भलो भी पढिया दर.
27 तारीख ओई
से आज्ञा से तो पुओ का भीतर गाणंतुनी. पुओ को तांका जरा पाठ पढिया दियंतु.
नबाणीबा करछन से नबाणीबा
नबाणी करछन केस तो के आपण करिवे. आपण जण भलो करिवे एतरे कोन अछि.
से 27
सर एतरे करिवार भी नहीं. दे हैव नो रोल टू प्ले.
करिवार भी नहीं.
ऑब्जेक्शन भी से देई छथि.
आज्ञा इंटरेस्टिंग होची से जो पिला को भी कहता आउ कि नहीं रिक्शा रे जाउछन से दे आर बिकमिंग टॉपर. सेतरे कोन अछि.
गोटे ऑब्जेक्शन ता अछि एंड सॉर्ट.
इतरे ऑब्जेक्शन कोनटा सर करी.
ताको मिसकेस
और मिसकेस रे ऑब्जेक्शन इतरे कोन हे परियो. अपन जदी एडमिट करू नांती करिवे बेकार आपण फीस पई करछन ना कोन मन खराब तापरे पॉकेट खराब.
27 तारीख
देह खराब मन खराब पॉकेट भी खराब.
only the short we come in 27.
The draft has expired.
yes sir ठीक अछि.
आसु 13 आसु ट्राई.
समथिंग कोडिया सर.
yes
सर कोडिया साथ कोला
वो को नवाणिया करंतु. से कोर्ट रे केस करंतु.
in fact move out
आपण जदी केस करिया जने को नवाणिया करिवे इफ यू आर टेकिंग द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी.
सर केबे को रहला
वी कमेंसिंग कोडिया साथ.
ठीक है
से बहुत मन खराब करछन.
I am there to accommodate my lords, but this is a case, my lords. The draft has expired. What they will do keeping the draft with them? 3 मास पळिलानी.
$1 million question. कौन बेले बेले केस कौन पे होची किछि बुझी हुए. What is going on?
Yes, your lordship should give them a lesson, my lords. I'll show the case also. I mean the case details. Anyway.
So what page aschi what sir? Next 26.
Item 26.
My lord.
Yes, please.
As per order of 23/4/2026, your lordship has ordered me to file a affidavit, and I have filed that. In compliance to that order, I filed this affidavit regarding my payment to the opposite party, and also enter order sheet of the lower court.
आपण सुनंतु. आपणकर affidavit is bigger than the petition. मोर गोटे पैराग्राफ दरकार डेट डे एंड अमाउंट दैट मच. आपण से एफिडेविट पे पढिबे एनेक्सर पढिबे तापरे गोटे मेमो रे फाइल कर देबे.
माय लॉर्ड से ऑर्डर शीट भी एग्जीक्यूशन रो मु देइछि माय लॉर्ड.
आज्ञा मु मना करी आपण काई देइ नाहंती. आपण जदी सुनिबे ताले बुझिबे कहिले बुझी परिबेनी.
माय लॉर्ड
आपण गोटे एफिडेविट फाइल करचंती 55 पेज रो.
ओनली 3 पेज.
3 पेज से 3 पेज को कन्वर्ट करिवे गोटे छोटो टेबल रे. Date of payment, amount paid, mode of payment.
Okay.
Mr. Rajendra Kumar moved for the petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioner being present at virtual court, High Court of Orissa at Kalahandi, addresses arguments. He submitted that pursuant to the order dated, this affidavit has been filed by the petitioner. Particularly in response to the observations made at paragraph 6 stuff. The affidavit runs into as many as 55. More of 55 देखुची आपनकर 3 देखुची.
This is only annexed, yes.
The affidavit runs into 3 pages. The annexures run from page 5 to 55, which in considered view of this court is not required or warranted for adjudication of the present matter. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall go through the affidavit along with the annexure running into 55 pages and prepare a brief table of 1 paragraph indicating the date of payment, mode of payment and amount paid. The total amount paid till date. Chotiya tinta te rahibo. The memo shall be filed. ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ କୋନ affidavit ଦେବେ ସେଟା ଫାଇଲ କରି ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ 55 ପୃଷ୍ଠା ନ କରିକି ଗୋଟେ paragraph କରିବେ amount paid, date of payment, amount paid, mode of payment सरला yes do it. The memo shall be filed. ଆପଣ memo ସୁବିଧା ହେବ ନା affidavit ସୁବିଧା ହେବ
memo better ହେବ.
The memo shall be filed. Memo in proper format shall be filed within 7 days.
2 days.
Within 2 days, the matter shall be listed for orders in the week commencing. 5
days ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ my lord.
Matter shall be listed on 14/7/2024. Specific କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
ମନେ ହେଇଥିଲେ ଭଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଆମର. ମନେରେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ would have filed.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ 55 ପୃଷ୍ଠା ତ ଫେର ପଢି କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ
my lord. ଏଟା ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟସ ଗୁଡାକ ଦେଇଛି my lord.
ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. Nobody is requiring any document. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଅର୍ଡରଟା ପଢିବେନି ସେଇ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହବ. Did you read the paragraph 6?
I wanted to satisfy
the ଅଧିକା satisfaction କଣ ହବ ଏଥିରେ minimal satisfaction ଦରକାର. Date amount.
All right my lord.
27 item
27 to 27.
Well,
you take a date. Today there will be difficulty in 27. There will
28. The same
27 date kari kahi diyo.
27. Lordship has already settled that the law will be 27. The PLA doesn't have the adjudicatory value. Much on the Sahoo. That may similar matter. So whatever date Lordship still speaks.
Karuna. ଆପଣ 3/8/88 ରେ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ନାଇଁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ପାଣିଗ୍ରାହୀ 10/8
my lord 10/8
10/8
entry order to continue oblige
entry order is not touched. It is an adjournment order na kon
no entry order passed. The award of the PLA was stayed.
It is not touched. It is being done in the computer. I will not pass any further orders.
My lord, that will continue with the order dated.
If it is till the next date of hearing, it will continue.
6th March 2026 till next date of hearing.
It goes. It continues. Can't be entered by no change. 28 say na? 28.
Pay for an adjournment.
Date kar diyo. 10/8.
29.
27 ଟାକୁ 3/8 କରି ପାରିବେ. Mr. Panigrahi, you have any difficulty in 3/8?
No.
3/8 କରି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି 27. 28 ଟା 10/8 29
ଆଙ୍କର ଅତି ନମ୍ବର 1 2 3
this out date କର 30
short date ର
10/8
entry order ତାଙ୍କ ଫେଭର ରେ ରହୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା short date ରେ there is a you see there is a method in this.
Yes.
Up to 27/7 we have crossed already 300. So we are trying to
oblige
list it and try to take it up.
Yes.
It's a reasonable possibility.
Yes.
Item number 30 ଟା first hour ରେ adjourn ହେଇଥିଲା.
Pardon your lordship. Entry order
ଟା କଣ ଥିଲା adjournment ଟା ନା stay? Till date ହେଲେ ତ ସେଟା posting ହେଲେ order ତ କିଛି vary ହଉନି ନା. Order remains untouched.
Till next date thila lordship.
ତାହେଲେ it is continuous.
High lordship.
Adjournment order ଟା has to be reiterated. Yes, next.
31.
My lord, 31, I am for the wife.
Yes.
So my humble prayer, let a direction be given to both the parties to file assets and liabilities affidavit.
Out दिन को आसु other side ना थी सब 31 टा ଗୋଟେ डेट करो चले 35 टा से से
ଅଧା ଅଧା କରିଦେବି।
10 8 17 8 वी कमेंसिंग 17 8 ना 13 8 10 8
Any date.
17 8 कर दियो
32,
डेट कर दियो
33,
डेट कर दियो
That item 33 praying for and Passover, my lord.
33
Yes, ma'am.
no that will be difficult in continuing hearing because these are all hearing matters. I have to rise early so that is how I'm adjusting everything.
My lord,
Upon a date you can suggest a date.
any short date?
Short date out कौन है after notice matter hearing requires hearing
To notice na ithlode vacation of stay porch.
कोटा ହେଲେ ବି without hearing on stay order can have 33 କହୁଛନ୍ତି 33 ସେ 3 8 3 8 ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ 139 ଟା ଅଛି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ already ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ again and again I am highlighting this aspect that we are trying to accommodate the maximum କୋଉଥିରେ limit ନାହିଁ but ଗୋଟେ reasonable ଗୋଟେ ରହିବା କଥା
ନହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଡେଟ୍ କରିକି
Specific date ହବ।
ଅର୍ଡର୍ସ ପାଇଁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁକି ଭ୍ୟାକେସନ ଅଫ ଷ୍ଟେ ପଡିଛି
Again, in the garb of ସବୁଥିରେ orders ଅଛି in the garb of taking up after notice we can't continue in orders ସେମିତି ହେଲେ ଅନ୍ୟ matter ଗୁଡ଼ା affected ହେଇଯାଉଛି possibly କରି ହବ but ଆପଣ prolonged hearing in orders results in not unable to reach the after notice matter also ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି 20 7
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ନା 27 7
ନା 20 7 ରହୁ ରିଚ୍ କରିବ
ଠିକ ଅଛି 20 7 ରିଚ୍ କରିବ 139 ପରେ କେମିତି ରିଚ୍ କରିବ ଆଉ matter ନା ଲିଷ୍ଟ ହବନି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
yes next
34,
34 to 39 डेट कर दियो ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଉଟା ମିଷ୍ଟର ବାରିକ
38, अर्जुन
34 ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ
32
32 ତ ପଳେଇଲା
32, अर्जुन
ସେ ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ
ନାଇଁ 32 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଆସିଥିବେ ନୟାଗଡ଼
ହିୟରିଂ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
32 ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଡେଟ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ବାହାରୁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
4 8, 4 8,
4 8 ହବ ମିଷ୍ଟର ବାରିକ 4 8
ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଆଜି ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ହିୟରିଂ ହଜର କରିଦେଇଥାଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଜି ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ହିୟରିଂ
ଆଜି ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ହିୟରିଂ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କଲେ ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନଟ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ଦ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ସୋ ଏଭ୍ରି କେସ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଟୁ ବି ଆଡଜର୍ନ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଧର ତ ମୁଁ ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟା ଖାଲି ହିୟରିଂ କରିବି ବାକି କେସ୍ କ'ଣ ହବ ଫେର that is a purpose that is a method in doing things ଆପଣ ଅନ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ସଜେଷ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିକି କ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଡର କୁହନ୍ତୁ ତ କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ଯେହେତୁ ବାହାରୁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଇ ଫିକ୍ସ ଏ ଡେଟ୍ କେବେକୁ ଆସିଲେ ହବ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ କହିଲେ 4 8 କୋର୍ଟ ମାଷ୍ଟର 4 8 କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କେବେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି
ଏଇ ମାସରେ ଟିକେ
ତାହେଲେ ୱିକ୍ କମେନ୍ସିଂ 27 ତାରିଖ ହେଲେ
21
28 ରେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ 28 8 ସରି 28 7 I'm sorry 28 7 ଭୁଲ କହିଲି 28 7
Item number 36.
36 Mr. Swain
Yes, Worship, I am for the OP number 4. We have already.
36 got a date कर दियो
36 डेट सी 10
8 the same issue after notice matter has to be heard 36 then 37 to 39
Item 34 appearing for respondent number 1.
कोटा
Item 34.
34 date केवे करछो
এটা হেইনি
date कर दियो
ये 2
On behalf of Tushar Kumar.
no difficulty अपन खाली date टा कोन
2 सेकंड तो वी कमेंसिंग 10 8
10 8 ठीक है
Item number 34.
yes 10 8 weakness yes
Item 30.
no non appearance किछि मार्क है please appreciate 38 Mr. Dasnaik ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 38 ଟୁମୋରୋ କରନ୍ତୁନି ଟୁମୋରୋ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ରେ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଲରେଡି ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର୍ସ ଆର୍ देयर
एनबीडब्ल्यू विकल्प में फाइल को चाहिए
ठीक है सर 38 कर दो 38 डे आफ्टर ऑर्डर्स कर दियंतु
डे आफ्टर टुमारो
हां ऑर्डर्स करते एटा आपण पोस्टिंग करिए वो
हां
यस
ହେଇଗଲା ସବୁ
Again, completed. Yes. Any anxiety? Why so?
My lord, item 33 interim order may continue, my lord.
33 day, is there any adjournment or a stay order?
My lord, stay, ma'am, it was listed for vacation of stay.
So 33 day jodi interim order achi apanakar stay of the further proceeding, it remains as it is. I have not touched the order. Must understand. Rather, your strategy should be that it is adjourned. Acha. 33 रे 25-26 order टा repeat करते. केबे को होला 33 टा?
27 will commence.
Commencing 27 listed in the to be adjourned to a date beyond 27. Order dated 25-26. Yes.